I'm doing surprisingly well, I'd say. A little tired. A little exhausted. A touch erect, you know. But we'll see what happens. Hey, how you doing, live concurrent viewers? How you doing? You doing well? I'm doing well. All right, let's see. Just going through all the crap you gotta go through. Publish here. I like to customize each one of the messages. That's why I don't do that. Let's see what. I don't know what to stream next. There we go. Top G, they must be referring to study time. You can clip that, shoot it over to her. All right, hey, woo, hey, how you doing?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Karyan, thank you. I appreciate that. Doing well. Greetings, esteemed Primogen. Welcome. Listening to Lex there? Yeah. I was just going through like a Lex podcast, letting it autoplay. Por qué, Maria? Yeah. The typing is swift. I'm excited about NeoVim Conf. I think NeoVim Conf is going to be amazing. Starting a new project. We're going to be starting a new project here very, very soon. I'm on Brown's Lex podcast about Lexers. No. I'm on. I guess I'm on JP right now. Going through. I've never really listened much to Lex Friedman. Everyone keeps raving about him, so I'm just trying to go through each one of them. Make my decision about what do I feel about him. It's okay. It's pretty good. Did you do benchmarking? Lex is good. No, my I crashed my stream benchmarking yesterday, and I figured out why. Update your system. No. I am Brazilian. Hello. Well, hello, my Brazilian friend. 20 viewers. Only 20. I actually said some super controversial things on Twitter. I said, like, Rust is the only programming language. Dr. YOLO Swag Monkey. You know, I said something naughty about JavaScript. People don't watch me anymore. So, everybody in here, you guys need to leave. Because I'm probably going to say some controversial things. Go is greater than Rust. JS is bad. Oh my goodness. Now you're planning on getting canceled? Are you? This is. Let's see. Make a Rust macro that lets you embed Go inside. Ew. Tell us about the startup. The startup's a place for only the best to go. Neural network. I actually do have a use case for a neural network. So at my job, I have I do have something RBF network, right? So I do have a case for this right here, and I already programmed one once long ago when I was first learning JavaScript, and I'm thinking about reprogramming it, and creating this thing right here. It's a really amazing function approximator. Right? It's really good at approximating functions, especially if there's a lot of inputs. So it can do like, there's something called the Rosenbrock function, which a multi-layered perceptron can only approximate oh so well, but a radial basis function can approximate it like super well. So it would be very interesting to do that. Jai, don't care. Prove it! Do I see tearing? Always. Why do people hate JS so much? Because it's easy to hate. Jose levels up to 10 months. Let's go. Thank you. Karen will lay off 13% of the startup too. Absolutely not. Ancient maths, hieroglyphics. Am I too late for QoP splash party? Dude, I just want nothing but a splash party. I've been talking with Love Abilities, with Bash, with Theo, with G. We're definitely going to be doing some splash parties. Okay.
Welcome to Costco.
Oh, QoP me daddy. Let's go. Okay, I'll do a quick QoP me daddy right here, right now. For you. Here we go. Let's get quapped up from the knops up. You know what I'm talking about? Oopsies. All right. Too fast of a start. I've done that in real life. What just happened there was because it was too fast. Okay, again, a little too fast, a little too fast, a little too fast. There we go. All right, there we go. There we go. You guys are probably jealous that you can't see my key presses right now. I mean, I would be too. I'd be jealous right now. You probably don't even know how to co-op properly. Look at that jump. Okay, I gotta quit jumping. Did you see that? Did you see that step?
Could you build a actor model with Rust next?
Are you asking me to do something? Who just did that? Oh my goodness! Did you see that run? All right, we're coming in hot, boys. We're coming in hot, boys. Get that out of here! Damn it! Come on! All right, I feel like I'm getting close. Could you build an actor model with Rust next? 75 New Testament dollars. Are those denarius? I don't know. What's a New Testament dollar? What happens here? Yeah, I know that hurdle got yeeted, dude. Get the shit out of here, hurdle. Thank you. I feel like I'm getting close. Sorry if this, but what happened to Learning Elixir? There is a little bit of Learning Elixir. Jose Valium had to back out. Oh gosh, Bombay. Bombay. Thank you very much for that delicious 5 gifted subs. You make me go, see, oh, daddy, on the inside. I don't know why I say that, but that's what I do. What happened to that Reddit post you were thinking of doing? What Reddit post? 1 sub per dead meter. Damn. Well, thank you. Finish the interpreter book. That's another thing I could be doing. How about something with Tari? I don't want to do something with Tari. Honestly, that just sounds super boring to me. Honestly, it just sounds super boring to me. I tend to dislike positional arguments. They lead to confusing help menus. I don't like, arguing with my boss over something. I have never enjoyed, I've never enjoyed positional arguments in CLIs, because they just always lead to this, like, really confusing, I always feel like you get super, hold on, I have to respond to something for work. Sorry. Damn, where are you? Dude, I hate the phone, how they totally screw up the UI on the phone. It is just the worst. There you go. What about positional arguments in a function? I don't care about that as much. Are you interested in any machine learning stuff besides neural networks? I was getting my master's in it before I quit and went to Netflix. Hey, Brad, what's up? Hey, Sherpa! How you doing? What about positional arguments and functionments? I'm still, like, the problem is with that is a lot of times it leads to a lot of garbage. I mean, if for a language that doesn't have, like, TypeScript doesn't have positional args. Instead, what they, well, I mean, I guess, hold on.
Welcome
when you say
to
positional,
Costco. I love
you're
you.
talking about just like 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, then everyone likes positional arguments, okay? But I hate, like, option bags. Hey, Bramagen, I recently started coding Twitch channel. Any tips on making good content before you start getting viewers and chatters? Just do what you gotta do, baby. Everybody knows that. I would agree with your point on positional arguments on CLI. Let's see, would you, no, I never believe in strictly anything. Like, really, I am not somebody who puts my foot down on anything. I think there's times and places where it's kind of nice. Like Docker, let's just be real. I think Docker did a good job. Docker build, Docker run, right? Like, there is, like, these things you got to do. And I think that that's a fine thing, is when your program gets sufficient complexity. You know what I mean? Hey, Kiddled, what's up, baby? Oh, the Sith deals and absolutes. Yeah. Let's do a Bevy stream together. I don't know. Is any of your savings in crypto? No, I got out like maybe a year ago. Ask Theo about Solid. Nerds yesterday were collectively orgasming over Orion's Solid start on the interview stream. Yeah, I know. Well, Theo and I are going to be doing 3 streams together here in a couple weeks. Docker makes it easier. Yeah. When should you use classes in TypeScript? So I did have I had actually a good case for classes and inheritance just recently. It's very, very rare. That's just that. It's very, very rare, but it does happen. Prime podcast, when I've already been doing a podcast. Yeah, you got to be careful, Rugged Bear. How's your morning been? Very good. Very, very productive. Imagine being Tom Brady right now. Why? What's happening? Oh, is Tom Brady is he still on that absolute tear of failing along with his wife leaving him? Who's also the breadwinner? He'll be like some poor tens of millions heir. Ugh. Actually, does he get to take half of her stuff now? Oh yeah, I just got done working out. Could you share how you got started with Rust? Yeah. I literally opened up my editor and started programming and guessing. Do you have a video about something about classes? I do talk about them. I do have like what I hate about OOP. I love OOP. I hate OOP. But I don't have like a hard and fast rule. It's kind of like what Faster Than Lime was saying just a couple days ago. You develop an intuition for when is a good time, and I had a good time. Do you have any tips for designing APIs for the Unreal Engine? Absolutely not. I have never even touched the OOP piece. Hey, thank you, M. Dot. I read Gillis and Tom Brady had a prenup. Oh. According to the messages shared in Twitter Slack, Twitter's CISO, Chief Privacy Officer, and Chief Compliance Officer all resigned last night. And employees say it was the beginning. It will be engineers to self-certify compliance with the FTC requirements and other laws. This is boring. Boring news. Boring news. This is easy. This is stupid. Don't even worry about it. That stuff, the Twitter stuff about like, oh, the company's gonna implode, is like the absolute most boring stuff in the universe. You know what's gonna happen? Elon Musk, with his gigantic namesake, in which there's plenty of people that want to go work for him, will be like, I need this. He'll have a bunch of friends. Somebody will step in, and within 5 minutes, it's going to be fixed, and blah, 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 blah. Nobody cares. Honestly, it's the most boring news that people are making into something that's not something. Honestly, it's the most nothing of all time. I'm just saying, it's really just the most nothing news ever. You won't even know. Like Twitter, the Twitter stuff will be gone in like no time. The idea that people want to apply to CDFO, whatever, let's see, whatever O of Twitter is beyond silly. It is, yeah. Hey, would I take? You know what? Here's the deal. If Elon Musk's right now here, in fact, let's just try it on Twitter. If Elon Musk decides to make me Chief Anything Officer and pays me millions of dollars, I will do that. I'll quit streaming. I'll just get it done. Why? Because I'm going to get paid millions of dollars to do something that's extremely hard. And then guess what? If it doesn't work out, I'm going to make sure inside my contract that there's some sort of sweet clauses. So if I get fired, I get like 50% of my salary for 3 years. I'll just figure it out. You know what I mean? It's just like, it's just like, come on. A hard and super interesting. I think there's a lot of cool things being done, right? Chief Anything Officer, made here first. Yeah, Chief Millionaire Officer, exactly. Golden Parachute the hell out of there, exactly. I'll be like, woo! I'll be loving it. Do you think Node on the back end will ever take off? It's already taken off, and it's quite popular, though I do think it's mostly a bad idea. Don't you have any daily meetings? No. Ew, gross. Ew, VH, why would you say that? Let's all go work for Elon for the millions. I mean, I would work for Elon for the millions. I could fix my well. I still haven't taken a shower in 4 days. I don't have an actual running water source. It is the worst. It is the worst. I hate it. Thank you for the $10. I really appreciate it. Exit music. Thank you.
I love you.
I really do. Chief Coom Officer. There we go. Let's go. I stopped giving a shit about Elon. What Elon does when the news couldn't stop writing articles about him every 45 minutes. Yeah, I don't care anymore either. I would not work for him as an engineer personally. That's it. Like, that's literally it. Very soft take. That's it. Primogen, are you in the Rust Discord server? No, I don't like Discord. Like, I don't like interacting with other Discords. I have my own Discord. If I'm gonna spend time on Discord, I'm gonna spend it in my own server chatting. You know what I mean? He said he'll implement his PayPal successor plan in Twitter. Most excellent. Stream tip: Game Boy emulator with Zig. Oh gosh. If you weren't allowed to use Vim anymore, what would you use? I don't like answering those questions because it's not. It's just such an uninteresting question because that's not a thing I would do. You know. Matastic 85. Thank you very much for that tier 1. Let's go, baby. Meaning, here's the deal, meaning that if I could see around corners, what would you look at, right? Like, if you could jump over a building, what buildings would you jump over? It's just like, I don't know. I have never lived in a world in which that exists. Therefore, I'm just going to do that. Hey, you know, answers is Emax. Thank you. You're awesome. First time joining the stream. Thank you. You know, it's like one of those things. I don't know. You know, it doesn't exist. Yeah, Emax would be the answer. What's your favorite planet? Oh, easy Saturn. Is Neovide worth it? No. Any layoffs, updates at your Netflix? There is no layoffs going on. And the small amount of layoffs that happened, I think it was already spoken about quite a bit. I was waiting for the stream. Is Helix worth? I don't think I'd stick to Vim personally. Do you exercise? Absolutely. Let's be honest. You'd be using IntelliJ. There's actually a high chance I'd be using IntelliJ. Your take on Netflix using Spring Boot? I think it's great because Netflix started off being a Java shop, and that just makes perfect sense. Right? That's what happens when you start off being a Java shop, is that you have Java shops. Do you work at Netflix? Do you get free Netflix? Do you have small hands? I'm a dev. What should I do? B-Skill, this is literally every single stream. People, stop asking really boring questions, right? I mean, I know you guys have great questions out there, but I don't think you guys have boring questions. But the problem is that half the times you guys ask just the dumbest questions, right? Like, hi, I don't know how to Rust. What should I build in Rust? It's just like, how about just figure it out? Go build something in Rust, right? Build what you want. Stop asking me what you should do. I can't answer that because I don't know what you like. Okay. You know? Actually, Java is actually not that bad. Yeah, when somebody sets up your entire system and you're just programming a little bit of Java, Java's not that bad, right? Hey, if I have a question, would you prepare for an interview with live coding pair? I'm a senior front end. Let's see, how would you prepare for interview with live coding? I feel like you've already answered it. Let me just ask it this way. If you were gonna have, if your interview was playing a game of Ultimate Frisbee, how would you get ready for that interview? The answer is you would, oh gosh, the music is way too loud. The answer is you would go play Frisbee, right? That's the answer, right? So you already know the answer. You know the answer, right? Go do the thing in which you're going to be interviewed on. You know what I mean? Become a hipster first. Should I name my newborn Rust? Absolutely. They'll be safe. Primogen, would you recommend Rust for someone who works in JavaScript engineer? For a while, just for, yeah, of course. I always recommend learning something different, right? Can you, let's see, can you work on my features for Netflix? Do you get free Netflix? I just my wife's boyfriend is mean to me. Can you please talk to him? Absolutely. Send him over here. Do you use no, that's for chumps. Auto closing braces for chumps. 2023, the year of .NET supremacy. Stream tip. People in the chat redeem points to play chess move, but the chess rules are made by the startup. To make a move, you choose a side, white or black, and then move. Whatever side wins, those are, let's see, those that played are using the side, using that side get points. That's kind of interesting. Do you play an instrument? I used to play guitar. I have a guitar, in fact, like right there. I just haven't played guitar in like a decade. I've picked it up and strummed it probably a grand total of 30 minutes in the last 5 years. Let's see. Play a tune? Oh, gosh. I can do, like I said, I've played 30 minutes in the last 5 years. It's going to be terrible. I'll play one quick thing. That's it. Smoke on the water? I can't remember how that goes, but it goes something like... Yeah, I remember. Okay, I kind of remember. Here you go. This is the only ditty I'll play. Here you go. I can't play anymore. See? I can't even play anymore.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I can't play. I don't like playing anymore. I'm over it. That's it. Like I said, I haven't played in, gosh. I haven't played really in a decade. Anyways, welcome to Guitar. Hey, I appreciate that. That's all I got. I'm not playing anymore. I'm not much of a guitar player. Let's see. All right, hey, Hexy Ray, thank you. Welcome. The weird plug in Bravo. I think his guitar skills made him super fast on keyboard. Probably. I actually could type faster before I started playing guitar. Would you ever switch from I3 to left? No, I don't want to switch because it doesn't matter to me. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't matter to me because all I want to do is just press a button and that's it. I don't want anything else, right? I don't want anything else. I don't like multiple windows, right? This is just a rarity that I have multiple windows, right? People with Vim are automatically good at guitar. Yeah, play League of Legends. Why not compiling TypeScript to machine code to make JavaScript faster? Because that's just not how it works. That's called WASM. WASM being your best possible attempt at being that. Do humans need water to survive? No, you drink your own pee. You make a virtuous cycle. Let's see. We should have an over-under for bad questions. I know. I'm not gonna play StarCraft now. Do you think it's worth getting a second PC for Linux? I hate dual booting. I do that. I have one PC for streaming, one PC for gaming, one PC for streaming. Code. Play Diablo 2. No. My Kinesis keyboard. Nice. That's exciting. Spring Boot. Staying in relevance? I don't know. I think I would just stay away from Java personally. All right. What type of cheese is the mood made of? Framunda. All right, let's do this. I think the hate for OOP is usually not quite ever that good. I think people just hate it for the wrong reasons, right? Arrive for coding, stayed for comments. All right, let's go, people. Are you guys ready to do this? So this is what I'm thinking today, is that we need to finish up this darn thing, right? Let's finish it. Let's finish this dude off. I feel like we got to finish this dude off. You know what I mean? Because right now we are pretty close. So I was taking some timings yesterday with Deku. So this was my server timed out with Deku. Is I had all these connections. Why is it not letting me get closer? Weird. I can't use my mouse wheel to zoom in. Do I have to zoom in up here? Here? Oh, there you go. I can zoom in right here. But I can't on here. Anyways, but here's the best part. So this is, what this represents is that there's an active 150 connections. There's 100 connections making constant stuff and then 50 that I'm measuring from, right? So there's 150 concurrent connections at all points sending messages as fast as possible. 200, 250, right? And so I wanted to try it with JSON, but the problem is that JSON, I actually can't with JSON. I can't. I actually can't do it with JSON because I'm like, my network doesn't have enough juice to be able to do it. Jizzle. Yeah, Jizmal. I can't do a Jizmal. Mortal Kombat of programming. Finish him. You got, let's say, I gotta say, Prime, you're even more of my hero for playing guitar like a boss. I don't play guitar like a boss. I used to play like a boss. Like, I used to, I used to be good. I'm not good. I'm not even okay anymore. I can't even play, I don't even think I could play Crossroads just like the guitar part. Right? I don't even know if I can play it anymore. You know what I mean? It's just on. I'm back to work. Have a great one. Hey, Data Sherpa, thank you very much. Let's see. You were on a beat, at least. Yeah. I used to be a good guitarist. Then I became a programmer. Same here. Can't you shrink down both cases and consider your network bandwidth? No, because that's not good. That's not good. The reason why that's not good is.
Welcome to Costco.
Chemical Corp, thank you for the Twitch Prime, brand new, might I add. The reason why that's not good is that to say that, the problem is that what is going through that? So okay, sure, they could have almost the same bandwidth, right? The problem is like, I guess I could measure how much. I want a different measurement, right? I want to measure how many objects per second can I get up to. I don't know why I am depressed. I always just go out on a limb here and say lack of community, personal community, that is, friends, loved ones, being outside and working out and sleeping well and eating well. That's always the cause. That's like, I swear, a huge portion, some plurality of people could just go away from that whole feeling if they just stopped doing so many simple things. Like, let's see. Yes, exactly. I've seen this. This is old. They call it the Balmer Peak. Yeah, Balmer Peak. Ubu. Yeah, it is an old one. You mean procedural. Everyone says functional, but it's even close to ASCII. Yeah, most people mean procedural. The Balmer Peak, you just bind the port to your machine and expose it to the network and we can all connect. I know, that actually has happened and it just sucks. Man, YouTube chat looks so much clean. Does it? It looks... Well, first off, I have all this stuff. If you don't have an idea, speedrun creating a GUI lib in Rust. No, ew. Do you think it's a bad time to switch tech jobs? It could be. I don't think you're going to get the same salary. Can you please recommend what I should eat for dinner? Yeah. Is McAfee's dick still an option? I know it was supposed to be eaten. And then he avoided it by dying. Super weak. Not a good joke. That's sad. Anyways, let's see. I'm about to switch jobs for a 35K raise. Is it possible? You got to be in yeah. I doubled my salary, but I live in a third world country and get paid peanuts. Yeah, you definitely, that's hard. Okay, here we go. Hello, Primegen. I'm a front-end engineer, recently turned architect at work. I want to transition to be a better engineer and learn more about algorithms, FEM course, and transition into a position where I can work across stacks. I would like to ask whether Rust, Go, or Elixir would be good options to expand my horizontal skill set, which I assume they are. Let's see, which I assume they are. But what would you recommend, best recommend? So the thing is I like Rust the most, but I think Go has the most immediate opportunity. Is that fair? I think that's pretty fair. Fair take. Fair take right there. I'm not going to test Fleet. They don't even have a Vim plugin. Servers for Noobs would be a great series. No, very fair. Yeah, I'd say that's a fair take. Rust is the most fun. Go is probably the easiest to get employed by, and people who love Elixir love Elixir. It's just a fact of life. People love Elixir. So maybe I could learn to love Elixir one day. I don't know. C# is the best. Yeah, there's a lot of elixiring going on. All right. So let's go like this. Go is also faster to understand. Go is really easy to do a good job in, right? You will automatically write a pretty good app in Go, right? You just will. You're just going to write a great app in Go, and it's not that you're trying to do it. You're just literally doing it because it's not that hard, right? Whereas with other things, it's really easy to mess that up and not do a good job. Like Rust is just simply harder to do a good job on. It just is. It's not. I'm not trying to be a mean guy. I'm not trying to shit on Rust. I love Rust more than the average individual. But the reality is it's pretty simple that Rust is hard to get right. It takes a few tries. It takes a few tries before you actually get it right. You know what I mean? I'm going to turn down my mic sensitivity. I'm going to turn down my mic's threshold. There we go. Just because I don't want to have to talk as loud. How's this? Is this doing good? I feel like this is a pretty good amount. Sorry, hold on. I'm trying to get all these things in here. Working, making sure everything's good. Linodes. All right. I'm going to have... This is not our birthday mix. This is our new one. This is brand new. This is Miss Monique's new one right here. It's very, very good. I'm liking it. No. This is good. Yeah. FPTS right now. Primegen, long-time YouTube fan, but first-time stream chatter and happy to be here. Any tips for new grads in the market right now? Seems like a really tough cycle. It is a very tough cycle. It's a really tough cycle. I've been wanting to make a YouTube video on this, and I kind of feel like perhaps right now we can try to flow state one out and make this a reality. But I do think you're right. Let's kind of broaden that question up, right? There's like the new graduate that is trying to get a job for the first time. There's the person that's trying to switch to a better position. And then there's also the person that got laid off, right? I'd say that they're almost all the same question, right? You have people that are getting laid off trying to find stuff. Why does your mic sound so different? It's because I'm not right here, right? It's when I'm right here. How does that sound? Is that just so much better? Is it really that much worse from out here? Or is it just really that much better right here? It's way better? Damn. Okay. Is better. More sexy. Fine. I'll move my mic back. Closer equals much better. Okay. It's just much better. Okay. Hold on just 1 second. Hold on. Hodl, everybody. So normally this is where my mic usually is right here. Fine. I will do it. I will do this now. Man, I'm not used to this. I liked where it was. You know what I mean? It was so nice where it was because it just wasn't. I gotta get a different mic. I feel like I need a different mic to where I can have a nice voice, but the mic can be like right there. Because I feel like it'd be just so much nicer and easier. Oh, will you be going on Dr. K's show? You know, I tried. But he says he's just not doing that right now. It's just not his thing right now. I know. I don't know how to use shotgun mics. I'll have to get one. I don't know. Are you sitting on an exercise ball? Yeah, always, yeah. That would probably, yeah. Fireship, I'm sure Fireship would come on Twitch again. Who's Dr. K? Go Britney Spears with it. You mean like a little one of these? Look up shotgun mics. I like anything with the word shotgun in it, so I do. I mean, everything sounds good. I love the sounds of it. All right. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to copy this one. And I'm going to go like this. I am going to go Docker save. We're going to do that, and I'm going to go... Where's my new one? I think this is my new one. Wait, that's not my new one. Where's my new one at? I think it's this one. Yeah, that's that one. For sure. All right, so let's load that thing up. Hey,
Welcome to Costco.
Pete has QQ. Thank you very much for that. And Kepotos, welcome. So this is what we're going to do. Let's finish off the Rust thing, and then let's decide what we're building next, because we have a lot. Try for supreme audio quality and clarity. Yep. Whisper it to me. A Danktown Bunny. Do you know George Hotz? I mean, I know his name. I tried to get him on the show, and he said no. You know what I mean? Shotgun mic equals double-barreled, triple-barreled if you think about how vocally louder the user is. What command history? What are we talking about? Are you talking about this? This is just FCF, dog. It's Control R, but piped through FCF, so you get a little bit nicer of a view. You know what I mean? All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run my JSON serializer, right? This is good. And let's just do this. Right, so now we're running it. We're feeling pretty good about it. We're very happy about it. I kind of wish I had a way to keep track of things. Is that cold brew, aka caffeine juice? No, this isn't. This is just water. This is just water, something called hydrate, and some green mix, and some protein. What are your day regular problems like, dude? I have a lot of problems, man. Gizmal serialization. Yeah, we're gonna do some Gizmal serialization. Let's just do some Gizmals really quickly. Here, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna root into here, and let's go like this. Let's go 5. All right, we got one of them in here. Let's go 6. Let's see what's left. Am I already logged into this one? I don't know if I'm logged into this one yet. Here, I'll just have to do this slowly, right? Here, I'll just do this thing. Yeah, see, that was the same one. All right, good thing I did that. There we go. We have that up. All right, so now I have my new one, my other one, and my last one. They're all ready. They're all ready to rock. This thing's ready to do some serialization. Let's, I'm going to take this thing. And the reality is that, like, I can literally not run this command. It's too many. I'm going to have to do, like, parallel of 5. Because or else it just, like, it just gets destroyed. It just gets dominated. Right? It just gets dominated. So there we go. We'll do that. We'll go here. We'll do the exact same thing, 5. And then on my 6th one, we'll do this. But so we'll just do 100,000 or 10,000. Why not? We'll just start off something simple. We'll just do a little time command, and we'll let this thing run, right? We're just doing a little gizmo, okay? We're giving a little gizmo. Wow, Rust is so blazingly fast, it makes it cool. Wait, it's so blazingly cool, it makes cereal? Absolutely, by design. If you want the tunes, come to Twitch, yeah. Any YouTube love here? No, not very much. I just submitted an issue on Harpoon. Has to do a bit with the window, let's see, on being Windows don't judge. I don't fix Windows issues, and I'm sorry. All right, well, look at that. 16 seconds. All right, well done. That's nice. I'm going to keep track of this really quickly. So let's just jump over here. So this was actually, this was only JSON 15 because it couldn't do 150. I literally, it would just like, it would just crap the bed. Thoughts on working 2 remote jobs at once? Overemployed? I don't know. Why is there music on Twitch but not YouTube? Because YouTube bans everything. Lua is not really, but it's faster than Python. I just think it doesn't really matter. When you're using those kind of languages, it doesn't really matter. Oh, wow, somehow that one was 30? Okay, that seems a little odd. I don't like the disparity, you know what I mean? Let's just keep on doing that because these should all be running. These will be all running forever, effectively. We'll just run it a few times. Lua is really not that bad. Overemployed seems like a thing these days. Harpoon stopped showing me the background image for me when it's a window. Does it still work for you? It doesn't, not since I've updated. I'm going to have to change it. Hi, Brian. What's your opinion on when to switch from monolith to microservice architecture? I don't have a good opinion. That's not... Don't take my advice on that one. I don't have enough experience. Oh, gosh. See? I got to figure out why that happens. Shoot. The problem is it doesn't happen. The thing that makes this really hard is it doesn't happen with Deku, but it only happens with Jason, and I don't know why. I wonder why that's happening. Let's get SAR on this thing. Am I simply just am I simply just getting too much SSH? It's the... Is it 153? I honestly think it's just... All right, it's 241. That's the one I'm looking for. I wonder if it's that. Any thoughts on big tech layoffs? I've answered that question too many times. I don't have strong thoughts on absolute jismal performance. I know it's a really a bajismal performance. So let's see. Sorry, you. Do I have that still? Let's see. Cannot open this. All right. Please check if data collection is enabled. All right. Enable SAR Ubuntu. All right, do this thing. There's like a series. Let's see. I think I already have systat do sarv. All right. Yes, I knew there's always like these 2 things you have to do. All right. SARU. Okay. Let's make sure we have systat enabled. All right. Let's see. After that, let's see. SARV. All right. Maybe this thing just didn't go. See, synchronizing state with this. All right. So why can't I SAR you? All right. Yeah, there's like, I swear there was like there's something in Vi I need to go. What is it? I know there's a file I have to touch somewhere. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. There you go. Enable true. That's what it is. I knew there was something. All right. And then I got to do the whole restart business. There we go. I knew it was something. You know, you always forget these things, right? SAR is like a nice little... Oops. It should be... Is it 1,000? There we go. All right, perfect. So now let's run it with just on. So now let's say, I'm so glad I'm not the only one Googling stuff. Yeah, it's hard to forget. It's hard to remember that one. What's up, Local Toast 3000? I love that name, by the way. What is this music? It is. It's just, it's Mimo's latest thing. Can fatness in the request. Wait, what? Jason is like potatoes. Can fatness in request. Dude, I have no effing clue what you're trying to say to me right now. All right, so let's just go like this. Let's just enable a single Jason doing 5 requests per second here. Or not 5 requests per second. 5 parallel requests at all time. Holy cow. Look at this. We're almost maxed out. What? No. All right, that just seems too ridiculous. Deku. That just seems too ridiculous. Doesn't it seem just too ridiculous? All right, so we're back down to this. We're back down to something pretty normal. Let's go to Deku. And let's go here. It's like literally absolutely jismal performance. What is this? Dude, it's shocking it's that bad. I was using Saturday Jason. I know Saturday is not the most performant JSON, but it's what everyone uses, right? I couldn't figure out why I'm constantly crashing. Well, this kind of answers it, right? So now I can do, I can do that one, and then I should be able to do this one, right? Oh my goodness, serial equals Deku. Right, here's another added 5. So I mean, it's mostly this right here, right? That's where I'm doing most of it is actually just in the network layer being used up, right? What's the say? Oh, whose CPU is the output? I'm not sure what you're asking right now. Try SAR all 1. Okay, well, what does that do? Here we go. SAR you all 1. Soft. There we go. CPU all. What is soft? Deserialization can cost money. You can't be all set on JSON bad. Context always matters. A 0% soft after seeing Daddy Yanker. I know. No, I haven't. I have not listened to this playlist. All right, anyways. Binary, let's see. Soft. Chat before joining Prime stream. Yeah, we're getting a little soft in here. I'm not gonna lie, you guys are a little soft. I can't. I mean, they're soft, Karen. They're flaccid. They're. What do you want me to say? I'm not saying that, Karen. Okay. I'm not saying that. We will use proper terms around here. Soft and hard. We're going for it, okay? And you know what? Bisco permanently erect, okay? He's ready. Everybody else, a little soft. A little soft around the hands, okay?
It turns all your bad feelings into good feelings. It's a night.
Hey. Hey, Marcos. How you doing, buddy? Hey, Azadolin. Welcome. Tokyo. All right. When is this going to be % hard? That's a great question. Thank you, Rastlin. All right, so it's like this thing can just run pretty easily, right? And so we're effectively spamming a lot of requests. I kind of feel like I need to do something in which I need what should I measure here? That's one thing I don't really quite have a great story around. Is that I don't really? I mean, we can most certainly just do this right here.
Welcome
you know,
to
like
Costco. I love you.
parallel 5, right? So here's 15 of them being, you know, ushered in. All right, my soft percentage is going way down. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but either way, looking good. So it took 3 seconds to do that. 3 seconds. Right? So when we're doing it, we have Deku 15, and it's 3 seconds. We do it again, just for fun. Just for fun, you know, to really feel it out. You know what I mean? To really touch it. Really make it feel great. This one took 8. Well, that's disappointingly different. A lot of variation here. Stupid meetings. Hope to be back after meetings. What are your thoughts on the layoffs? I've answered this question entirely too many times. And so we'll do this a few times. Let's see where everything shakes out at. 10. Interesting. Well, these are all very, very different results. 7. Let's grab a couple more just so we have like some idea of the variation that's in here. Because there's obviously some variation. Prime, I love your YouTube videos and just finished migrating from Knit Vim to Knit Lua. Nice. Love you too. Hey, thank you. Have you tried Ubuntu? Absolutely. Something is not right. No, variation is really common. Right? That's why you have to run something many times before you say something is this. Remember, they're communicating across the interwebs. You know, the interwebs take time, you know? You can't just, let's see, someday we can discover how to copy select text on a terminal without using a cursor. I use it with Tmux, but it's just sometimes it's too much of a pain in the ass to do. You know what I mean? Because their Vim motions aren't quite Vim motions. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look how blazingly fast that one is. I almost feel like I should just run this thing a bunch of times. You know what we should do? Let's upgrade our client. I seek high for being forced to get on Twitch, bish. Come on. Wait, what? I don't even know. Let's see. Though it might not be. Let's see. So I'll spend my afternoon between NeoVim Conf site and the God of War. All right, nice. Interweb ain't no magic. Yeah, that's right. Interwebs ain't no magic. Can we benchmark a script? That's what I was gonna do. Is this psychic communication? Absolutely. So this is what I'm thinking. We'll just go to the game client. And what is connection? Oh, yeah. Connection count is totally the worst name for this. Connection count is by far the worst possible name for this. It's definitely not. It's the amount of times I want to make something. But let's add one more. And let's go like, oopsies. Let's go like this and go runs, right? And we'll do it, how about 50 times? Let's give ourselves the run, right? The runs, baby. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to probably take... How should we do this? I'm going to also do this, right? I'm going to also make this thing a... Wow, I don't know what's happening. I feel like I have paste in my hands. There we go. I'm going to do this. And do you love that highlighting? I love it. Async function run. Do that. And let's have args. I still don't have this thing working. Can you believe that? I still don't have my LSP working. Args result. Return. Okay. And then I can go for in 0 args run. Let's go. It seems pretty easy. Hello. Primogen, sir, I was wondering if you might consider doing just a touch of C# with our favorite person, Beastco, in a wonderful co-stream environment of laughs and giggles. If this would be amenable to you, please let me know. I will, of course, not spam this in chat, and no one will copy and paste it. Sir, I was wondering if you might consider doing just a touch of C# with our favorite person, Beastco. I'm going back to programming. I'm going to go back to programming. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go like this. Let now equals Tokyo time instant now. Do that thing. And then go print ln. And let's go like this. Now.elapsed as millis. There we go. And then we're going to go like this. Run args await. I think that should be good. So now what I'll do is I'll have this nice little thing that runs a bunch of times, and we'll redo it over and over again, right? Hello, Primogen. Sir, I was oh my dear sweetness. It's even worse than I thought it was. It won't stop. Actually, in fact, we're going to go like this even. We're going to do a data even. Let's get all of this out of here, and ooh, let's even add this. Let's even add the adder, right? Let's have the adder even be a part of this. Let's just F it. Let's get the whole thing out of here, right? Let's go all the way to here. That seems pretty good. That would be stop, serialize, and adder. There we go. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness Flip Edit is not here, or I'd be banned. PHPP, thank you for that. We needed that. We need that strong energy. Oh god, it's also highlighted now. I know, I'm just ignoring it. Can people achieve the same speed that Brime has on NeoVim on Emacs? I assume so. I've seen some pretty fast people. Sir, I was wondering. All right, so I think this is correct. Now we can just run this over and over again, right? We just create a semaphore, create the handles, do our little thing right here so we don't just spam the network super fast. 5 millisecond sleep as we go through each one of the connections, and then we just let them ride as fast as they can. That seems about right, and then we just run. Okay, this looks good. I'm confused most of the time, honestly. Why? For each benchmarking, try a little utility. What's this? Huh, interesting. All right, how do I install this bad boy? I like this. I like this little guy. I like this little hyperfine. That seems nice. Come on, man. Linux. Linux of the Ubuntu flavor. Man, people, dude, Beastco, what have you done? TJ. I mean, I would, it would just mean people can't take him. He probably has a better time in chat, honestly. I'm very new here. I also started using Cock, which seems more consistent than LSP to work. Okay, nice job. We're building a little game. Give me your songs. Give me your sub. Wild Palo Udo. Thank you very much for that tier 1. I appreciate that. Yeah, well, I am considering moving to Vim, but I don't know whether I can unlearn Emacs keybinds. Oof. Emacs keybinds, that's a big failure. All right. Let's see, you're finally live. Yeah. I'm live every day at the same time, dog. Look, there's a lot of people that catch me. Okay, so I think we have the right thing. Let's try this hyperfine business out. I guess, do I have to just clone it and build it? Because if I have to clone it and build it, oh, can I cargo install it? Ooh, I don't think I have cargo on here. Right, cargo. Man, this might take a long time. Oh, snap. Oh, gosh. I almost just used snap. Did you guys see that? See, like, look at this. Look how long this is going to take. I almost just accidentally used snap. Did you finish the TCP game? Yeah, I did. Lex Friedman using Emacs? I know. I consider moving to Vim. I almost just used snap. I'm going to need some prayers and some thoughts immediately. Oh, rust up? Okay. Rust up dot... Shh. Wait, what the hell? Dude, why is rust up dot... Am I getting porn? Oh, RS. Man, that was like, dude, rust up dot... Dude, I almost got porned. I almost got porned so hard. How can you speak and think about your couch and moving around? I don't know. I just do, dude. I almost pointed at a porn stream. We almost became a prawn stream. Okay? I can't do that. There's no way that's gonna happen. Bro, you don't have rust. Well, not on my server, dog. All right, hold on. I gotta grab batteries. Hold on. While this thing installs. My entire life is ran via cargo. My entire life is ran via Docker on my server. I don't actually install anything. But I guess I'm installing something, you know what I mean? Cool story though, huh? There we go. All right, sometimes you just got to do it, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just have to commit to this lifestyle. And this is the lifestyle that I've chosen. All right? I've chosen this life. You know, and one thing that makes me feel better about choosing this life is that I can walk in here every day, look at the bathroom ramen, touch the bathroom ramen, feel the bathroom ramen, taste the bathroom ramen. But more importantly, I've just decided we're going to have to put cargo on the server, okay? We're just going to do it from here on out. Base AMI cargo. Was I blurry as shit? Dude, why am I so scuffed? Why am I the most scuffed individual in the universe? Why can't I just be good at this? When will I be okay at streaming? When will I be moderately okay at this? Will I ever be okay with this? You're just covered in jismal. I come for the scuffed streams. Well, you know, I'm out here trying as hard as I can, okay? It was PlayStation 2 graphic style. I like that. I don't want to polish stream. I'll polish your stream, baby. Using Debian testing, you don't have to worry about Ubuntu snap garbage. Yeah. All right, so that means I have cargo now. Cargo. Yeah. Cargo, install, Hyperfine. Is that correct? All right, 5. First, get out of here. Okay, well, apparently that's just... Shoot, what's... I don't remember which one each one was. Here, I'll go like this. I bet if I do this, I could log on. Let's see, do that one, 5. Do that one. Actually, before I do that, I can just go like this. Top. Is there anything running? No. System D's nuts. Okay, perfect. All right, there we go. Have you ever made a website on stream? Just wondering. Yeah, I have. Do you ever use Dino? I did. I did use Dino. Polish D's nuts. I'll polish them so good. You're 10x better than me at streaming. So if you're bad, what does that make me? Less bad. You're probably neutral at that point. Apparently, Hyperfine is not is on a lot of package managers, so you don't even need cargo. Benny, I love you. Benny, you know, this stream would have been so much better without you. Imagine what we'd be doing right now, Benny. We could be working, Benny.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
We could have been done, Benny. Have you considered doing leak code challenges with viewers? I've considered doing some leak code things. Can you do a cutscene telling us, well, we're not using cargo on the servers anymore? No, TJ. Stop it, TJ. That is completely... TJ! I dislike him so much. TJ, here's the thing is that normally when you come in here and you make these jokes, okay, it hurts my feelings, but you know what? Yesterday I saw you over there on the hamster wheel. I no longer have to be worried about what you think of me, okay? I saw your athleticism. You claim to have a big game on the court. I don't believe you. Don't believe you one bit, TJ. We've literally played basketball together, IRL. Don't do this. We've never played basketball together. Wait, we played basketball together? When did we play basketball together? I don't believe you. This sounds like... Why am I building? Dude, I don't want to do this. All right. Can I just apt install Hyperfine? I only need it on one machine. What am I doing? Apt install Hyperfine. Benny, I hate you. Benny? Benny, I still hate you. Benny? Do you have any resources on becoming a with a TypeScript typing system boss? Go talk to Matthew Podcock. Podcock. Okay, now hate. Yes, we are shaving so many yaks here. I'm done. I'm done shaving yaks. Look at this. My stuff is so effed up. I have this at the bottom of my screen. Okay, look at this. Clear. It's so effed up. Rage quit. No, we're just gonna go back to what I was doing. And you know what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this. We're gonna go Docker. We're going to run this one forever, okay? This one just runs forever. That's all it does. 5, you know what you're going to do? Docker. This one runs forever, right? And let's go like this. Let's do this one, and let's go to... Because we really want that, like, longer normalized count out for a long time. So let's just do 50,000 on Deku, right? That's a lot of messages. So that'd be 50,000. Ooh, you know what we didn't do? Let's kill this thing. And let's go like this. Docker build. Docker but. Let's do client. We'll do a quick client build. You know, I didn't even test my changes. I just assumed they were that good. Can you believe I'd do that? Is that a little arrogant of me? Rex Metcheniram. NPI car, dude. If we had to install cargo via NPM, I would end both my streaming and engineering career. Oh, why was I subbed to this channel again? Tim VW, you better correct your attitude immediately. Yosemite, Samagen. What are you drinking? Water plus other little mixtures in there, then also some coffee. A little back and forth. Do you think PHP is a good language today? No. For the top tier philosophical content. All right, so I got it wrong. All right, there we go. And let's go like this. Cargo build. Oh my goodness, I renamed them? Okay, well, that was a stupid plan for me. There we go. Cargo build. We're going to get a quick cargo build, and then we can do a quick Docker build. I didn't even test it again. Still not even testing it. What are you doing today, sir? Oh, that's what I'm doing today, sir. I'm doing a little quick test. I can't test it on this machine because I'll destroy my uploading speed. Do you remember that yesterday? Is Microsoft Fang? No, it's not. Your streams are always enjoyable and informative. Thank you. Hey, you're welcome. That one guy didn't think so. Hurt my feelings a little bit. You know what I mean? He just comes in here swinging his peen around like he owns the place. insulting me like some sort of insultress. Telling me, why would I do that? Please, sir. I did like my MVC style. I don't, I don't even know coding, but I like watching. Really, your streams are top tier. Really? What? Why would anyone do that? Why would you watch this without even knowing coding?
It turns all your bad feelings into good.
I'm feeling, I'm feeling a little special right now, Karen. Like we've had nothing but really positive phrases today in the chat, and it just makes me feel really good. You know what I'm talking about, Karen? Yeah. Yeah. Why you gotta say that, Karen? Benny, did you really just say just use Arch? Get that, Benny. This is Benny. Thank you for another 2 gifted subs. That's 4 today. I appreciate that's 15 total in the channel. Appreciate that, Ace. Loving it. Loved your stream. Something's gonna go down. I know. Remember the guy with 2 viewers who rated you a couple days ago? He too said the Primogen is the god of goating Twitch, and I agree. Damn. Well, I really appreciate. He was very nice. I can't believe it. Yeah, that's right, Benny. Benny, get the hell out of here, Benny. Benny! F you, Benny! How about cargo isn't all? Yeah, that's fair. All right, so let's go like this. Docker save client up to the latest one. Let's save it up there. Hey, people, what OS is he using? Okay, Benny, you can speak again. Poor Benny. Benny, you're too right for your own good. Yeah, to the hamster wheel, Benny. Benny, get to the hamster wheel. Don't worry, I knew what you mean. I didn't even see the misspelling. To the hamster ween, Benny. You're gonna have to get on the ween. Benny, stop it. That's right, Marcos. The startup is LARPing is the best part. Hamster ween. Yeah, he's going full hamster ween. You don't go full hamster ween. Damn it. You never go full hamster ween. Can you code on a trackpad? You can. Did I do a pretty good impersonation of Robert Downey Jr. just then? You don't go full hamster ween. Is gRPC a joke? No. This is valid PHP code. Run it in PHPR. No, I don't want to. Benny is still thinking of good follow-up joke. I know. Hey, thank you, Crypax TV. All right, so let's do this one. And it's the other one. There we go. We got them all up there. This is good. I've replaced all my running instances. So let's kill this one. Let's kill this one. We got that one. Everything's looking good. I'm about to try something I actually haven't even tried yet to see if it works. I just assumed that it worked. If this doesn't work, I'm going to cry. And run. Oh, yeah. We're running, baby. I even got my soft percentage getting up there. I'm so soft right now. Thoughts on Knicks? I got nothing. You do got something. I know you do, Benny. You got something deep up your sleeve. I can feel it. I can feel it running around me. All right. Let's just try this just to make sure this actually works.
Welcome to Costco.
Go. I love you. Hey, thank you. I appreciate that, benzene. Look at this. Boom. 50. Let's go. That was awesome. Wow, one of them took a long time. Something went wrong there, but the rest were so right. But either way, I got a timeout on one of them, didn't I? Yeah, I got a couple panics. I must have had some sort of something. I don't know what just happened there. But you could see it in the stats. Okay, that's good. So that does work. We'll rock on. We'll rock on, damn it. All right, so let's do sets of 20,000. We'll do 50 20,000s. Is that fine to say? 50 20,000s? It can't be code. Must be Docker. Why does your NeoVim have so many Chinese Greek missing characters? Because I haven't installed ligamatures and I don't know how to get rid of them. TJ even tried to help me. There was a meme about PHP on Twitter. This better be good. I do mean it. This better be funny. It's such an okay joke. Look at that. The worst part is he did this. He even turned off replies. You know what? That's a coward's move, okay? You make a massively hilarious tweet. People love it. People get angry at you, and you turn off replies. Get him out. Get him out. Weak, scared, spineless. You know what the most offending part about that whole thing? He turned off replies. Easy. Soft. A solid. I know, that's soft. Just straight soft. All right, how we doing over here? All right, we got some. Look, we're getting some. Look at that. We're getting some feedback. Boys, we're getting some feedback. Okay? We can feed my back. It doesn't mention Flash. It doesn't. PHP is actually was dead, but someone revived it. Yeah. This is true. How's it going, CEO? It's going good. Right now, we're waiting for this thing to complete. We're seeing some pretty unique results here. Definitely some things I wasn't expecting to see. We're seeing some times, ooh. You know, we're seeing some slowdowns. We're seeing some speed ups. People, let's see. People who say no pun intended are cowards. Intend your puns, weakling. Hannah and I completely agree. I love Hannah. I just fell in love with Hannah. I'm going to have to inform my wife of some things, very serious things. I just fell in love. I fell in love with the truth. I know. Love at first meme. It hurts. You matey. You can't handle the truth. Melky Dev, I'm going to soak you so hard if you keep this up. Get soaked on! Melky, I don't know when this is going to stop. Melky, when does the soaking stop? That's the real question, is when do you stop soaking? Is it okay, Melky, real question here. Do you stop soaking when your friend gets too tired jumping on the bed? Is that it? Is that it? Is that when you stop soaking? Is it kind of like because you got like what? You got like 60 seconds of good jumping? And is a trampoline too much? Do you think you can get some dick injuries? If you had to give up either a Vim or tiling window manager, which one would you give up? Oh gosh. No way Melky lasts 60 seconds. No way I last 60 seconds. Damn. All right, here we go. Take a look here. Dude, what am I looking at? Okay, well, we have nothing better to do right now, so let's keep on going. Get ready for first topics to talk about on my channel. Oh, shit. I don't know who this Owavan script is, but damn, that is hilarious. Dude, that is out of this world. Thanks, Melky. Trying to look like I can build stuff on the internet. Thoughts on Mastodon? Dude, I literally, Faster Than Lime told me to come to Mastodon. I accepted his link. I went on there. I got a follower immediately, and then I learned that there's different servers on Mastodon, and some of the servers read all of your messages. And so I'm like, what the hell kind of social network am I joining? Is this like Discord mixed with Twitter? I don't know what that means. I don't have time to figure out what the hell Master Baton. It's decentralized. It sounds just shitty. Weirdest instance possible. It's not even running Mastodon. I told you what instance to join. Dude, Faster Than Live, I followed your link. I literally followed the link you told me to get. Dude, Faster Than Live, I don't even know what the hell I joined, okay? All I know is that I don't know what happened, okay? I don't even know what happened. I can't even do it. Nerd anti-Twitter. Dude, I don't care about anti-Twitter. I don't have enough emotional energy. The thing is once you have kids, you stop fighting 99% of fights. This is just the weird part of the movie. Let's go, TJ.
Welcome to Costco.
Hey, let's go, Marcos. Let's see. If you had to give up either, that's a boring question, honestly. I don't care about Mastodon. Just tell me where I can download the Primogen nudes now. Make an RPG? No. Redemption? Wait, what was the redemption? Marcos, how you doing? Wait, what was the redemption? What did I miss? Did I Melky Dev? Ooh, I love that Melky Dev, by the way. Oh, what do you think about the? I don't even know. Your IQ 69,420, something like that. I don't know. All right, we're still waiting for this one to be done. Oh, why didn't you build the Rust bin with cargo release, or did I miss? Of course I built it with that. Why would I not build it with that? Ew, gross. What are you, crazy? Bin, dog. Okay, I may miss it. I may miss it when I'm doing it from the command line, but we don't miss it here, okay? Make a static website generator in Rust. Quap me. Oh, yes. All right, people. We're getting quapped up. It's time to get quappy. All right? Let's go. I am going to kick your ass, Hurdle. Are you ready for this? Who's actually ready for this? Let's get some... We need something really good for this moment.
I love you.
All right, I'm going to pause it right here, even though I do like this song. I want something real frothy for this moment. What should we pick? What should we pick? So I'm debating between house. I think I know. I think I know. I think I know. I think I'm going to go with this one. Hold on. This won't be the song right away that I land on. Let's see. But I think this is it. Hold on. Let's go like this. Oh, man, that was such sweet. Did you hear that window sound? Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear the window sound? Did you like that? All right, I feel like this is the right play. All right. I feel like I just got to imbibe the meaning of this song into my life. Put it on my track shoes, and I gotta run all 100 meters. All right, let's run these meters, people. I am not afraid to crush this. All right, so the first thing you gotta do is just die, okay? You always die right away, but then after that, you do nothing but victorizing. All right, there we go. We're already, oh, that looks so natural. Did you see how natural that looked? Now that's bad. Okay, I was looking natural. I was looking thick. I was looking natural. I was looking like I was born for the 100-meter dash. All right, there we go. We're still hopping along. We're still hopping along. Okay, a little too fast. A little too fast. My guy can't run at that speed. He can't run at that speed. A little too fast. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay, damn it! All right. Yes. Oh, it feels like I have so much coconut oil on these shoes. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so good. Oh, yeah. We're making it, people. We are making it. Oh, that looks so natural, too. Oh, that looks so natural. Oh, that was so natural. Skip it out, baby. We're going all the way. They don't call me Twinkle Toes for nothing. Okay? They just don't. You don't call a man Twinkle Toes unless if you know they can twinkle these toes. All right, it's okay. They tried to get me. Yeah, that's right. Get that thing out of here. Oh, gosh. The return of it. No. Oh, the recovery. The recovery is strong in this man. All right, here we go. Oh, gosh, part 3. Here we go. Ah! Yes! Ah! Yes! 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 We're talking, we're in the 80s, baby! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness, we're in the 90s! Let's go! No! 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 Oh, it was so tragic. It was so tragic. Oh. 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 Oh, cue sad music quickly. I know exactly which one I'm going to do. I know exactly which one I'm going to do. Sad music, go. Oh. I... Why? I had it. It was in my hands. It was 94 meters. I don't even know if I'm a good programmer anymore. I don't even know if I'm a good husband. I don't even know if I'm a good father. I feel like I failed. I failed. I got cocky, okay? I got cocky. I thought I had it. But I didn't. I clearly did not have it. I'm only good at bouncing on balls, nothing more. This is your lowest moment. This is the time where you learn the most about yourself. Oh, really? The track is 100 meters long. Well, let's find out. Am I really a loser? Or am I actually a winner? I'm ready to try this one more time. I'm ready to do this one last time. There's only one way to get 100 meters, and you know what? That's to live to win. Or die trying. All right. We got to do this, people. We got to get that 100 meters. Looking natural already. Looking furious. Already practically 10% there. Oh, the naturalness, the athleticism this man poses. Oh, yeah. People on YouTube have no idea how much better this stream is on Twitch. They just have no damn idea. All right, we're going fast. We are going fast. We're feeling good. We're already above 30. We pretty much have this. All right, this is the part that I hate. Oh, did you just see that? Oh my goodness, I just went so fast. What is going on with me? Yeah! 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 Yes! Oh my goodness! I'm afraid to try that again. That was so fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I just discovered a strategy, but now I'm too scared to use it again. I just did. Oh man. Let's go. There's only one way to do this. There's only one way to do the final 25. Oh. Oh. Oh, he straight-legged it. Okay, I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. Ah! No! 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 Dude, I am such a loser. I can't believe how fast that was. Did you see how fast that was? It's like I discovered something. Did you see that? It's like I discovered something different. I don't know what Oh, let me try it one more time. Let me try it one more time. I just don't know how to I don't know how I did it. I don't know how I twinkle-toed it. All right, that's how you do it. Do you see that? You got to like lean forward as if you're really running.
Welcome to Costco. Right. I love you.
All right, here we go. All right, come on, lean forward. There we go. Oh my goodness. Ugh. It's time to be done. It's time to be done. Did you see that though? Did you see how fast that was? Did you experience what I just experienced? All right. Time to get back into this. Let's just get back to coding, people. Tell me that was not awesome. Dude, I can't believe I got 99 meters. I got 99 meters. Getting over it, dude. I cannot believe I got that close and died right there. I'm shaking. I'm shook. See, that is way easier to cut and paste on. All right, well, we're going to have to do it again sometime. All right, so Deku 15, we're just going to do that. There we go. Deku 15, we got all that. How about Deku 20? How about Deku 25? Yeah, let's do Deku 25. You know what I'm talking about? So let's kill this thing. Oh my goodness, my server froze. Disconnect it. Is it 72? Oh, let's find out. Let's do this one. Okay, so 72 is already used. It's not 72. Is it 431? Let's just time this one out really quickly. Okay, so it's not that either. That's this one right here. That's this one right here. Let's kill that guy. So it's SSH. Hold
Welcome
on.
To Costco.
It's the one with that one.
I love you.
It's this one. I thought that one was 6. I'm a little confused as how that one's not 6. Wait, which okay, hold on. You know what? Forget it. Here, we're just going to do this. I don't even know which one's which anymore. All right, so I want this one to be, let's do this one, 198. Let's do this one as 72. And let's do this one as 45. Yep, let's do it. There we go. Makes perfect sense. Let's go. All right, so this one's going all in. We went 5 on that one. Let's close it. Let's actually get it all the way up to 10. Let's have this one as 10. And let's have this one as 5. So there we go. We have 25. Let's run this thing a bunch of times. There we go. Hey, thank you, Origin, for that Twitch Prime. Thank you. What OS does Prime use? Pop OS, but then it's i3, so it's out of it. I don't even know. That was an experience, dude. I was in there. Top 5 greatest streamer moments. Oh, man. Are you a coder anymore? I am. I mostly program in Gizmal. How about Go versus .NET 7 performance test? I just hate .NET. Hey, I would like to know about the problem. I came up with an exceedingly easy way to do it. Prime Gizmal. Oh, yeah. Prime will be... Let's see. Prime, I will soon be able to understand your code. Do it. Don't be a baby. Don't be afraid, people. Don't be afraid. Do you like C? I don't mind C. Oh, this is going to take a long time. All right, so let's decide what we're doing next while this thing runs. Right? Let's decide next what we're doing. All right. So right now, what do we have here? So... right now, we do have Vim Royale in Rust, okay? We have our connection actually going. We actually have it right here. There we go. It does all of this. We have these nice messages. It deserializes either in JSON or in Deku, and it takes in a TCP connection and actually transforms it and does this. So we actually kind of have it started. So we have some choices for what we want to do next, right? And that's a real question. Is what do I want to do next? Why do we want to do more of Vim Royale? Is that what we want? Because I mean that is possibly next. It's just more Vim Royale. You know what I mean? We still look at this. I'm barely using any CPU. We're barely using any CPU. Enlighten me, Daddy. What's Vim Royale? Vim Royale is what we're building. Right now, we're just finishing up the networking. Next is to finish up the communication or to be able to display a game in Vim, right? That's the next thing, is just to display a game in Vim. So let's do this. Multiplayer. Are you creating a multiplayer mode? If that's all, Vim Royale is going to be 100 player. Okay, it's going to be 100 player. All right. 100 player, new poll. What to do? Vim Royale, something else for a moment. I can only say Mome. All right, let's see what we say. Let's see, now refactor all of it into a tower service and use Axum Stack. No. No, Snark. Have you tried Actix Xers? No. I like Tetris 99, but Vim 99. It's NeoVim 99. Yeah, it's that. Will there be a season pass? Absolutely. How am I going to make $1 billion? You threw in the daddy. You always throw in the daddy. All right, people like Vim Royale. I mean, I like it too, because, I mean, what about a 1v1 mode? There's no such thing as a 1v1. Selling verified badges for $7.99, a cent less than Twitter. Is it on Steam Greenlight? It's not on Steam Greenlight. In fact, you know, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I actually haven't thought about a monetization strategy. Is it based on your experience? You have MIT battle code? No. Pay to win. What the hell kind of startup is this? I'm not going to lie to you. You can sell copies out of a van. Hey, kids, come to my van. Create ASCII skins. I know. Not very EA of you. I know. I'm shitty. I'm sorry, everybody. I honestly thought I would do better, but I didn't. All right? Will it have loot boxes? I don't have time to grind the game, so maybe I can just buy my way to the top of Vim Royale. Got a Vim #1. Yeah, it's not going to... So Vim Royale seems to be heavily wanted, right, Charge, for the premium sub? So here's Honestly, the only way, like, technically, so real talk, the only way I could monetize the game, it is less crowded, but I don't think it's nearly as fun. Loot boxes is a nice idea. I do like that. The only way to really make that happen would have to be that if you wanted your stats to be kept, every single character you press, how many characters you pressed, how many times you've shot, how many times you've died, how many times you've lived, total damage done, total damage received, all of that. I would have to make it like, if you're subscribed to me, you can see your stats. 69 IQ. Right? Hey, let's make a clan chat. What's the name? That would be it. Let's see. You can make it work with Acorn B and place it on Funi. Yeah, that's a lot of IQ. Big brain. Just don't monetize. Salt my ham. Yeah, I know, but Grim, you act like this is free. You realize how much if... Okay, let's just say 10,000 people decide to start playing Vim Royale. Grim. Who's going to pay the hundreds of dollars a month for this? Nobody's going to play. You know how many people are going to want stats? 7 people. 7 people are going to pay to help keep the servers on. If you get over 100 meters in co-op, you can see your stats. You. Only 9,000 people use Vim. Exactly. Who pays money for... who pays money plays using Deku? Others. Jismal. That's right. Holy fuck, a whole sub. Log it as subs only. I mean, that's the thing is that... Hey,
welcome to Costco.
We 3 trees of Orientar. Hey, thank you very much for that Twitch Prime, baby. I appreciate that. Permadeath. Oh, that's funny. Who is Vim? What does he do? Who is Vim and what does he do? And stuff. Anyways. You could do a Patreon distribution. No, I wouldn't want to do that. I wouldn't want to do that. The only reason why I don't want to do any of this is that it requires me to do OAuth, and I just don't want to do that. I don't want to have to deal with that crap. You realize how... I don't want to have to deal with that. I don't want to have to deal with that, honestly. It means the first day it's playable, I'm going to be a fucking sweat. Yeah. The first day you're going to be it's going to be fucking sweet. It is. It's going to be amazing. Finish Advent of Code to play. Can't even sign up for a free Heroku box anymore. I know, buy me a coffee. Those things don't work. No one buys you a coffee. Everyone knows this, okay? Those things don't work. Open source doesn't work, right? Open source is not a monetization strategy. How you doing? If anyone gets into open source to make money, you've done the wrong thing. Just so you know, you've done the wrong thing. If you're like, you know what I should do? I should make money making software people are going to find palatably nice. Just arrived. What's on the menu today? Well, right now we're finishing up some testing. Full day of using Vim blindfolded with a screen reader. Dear goodness gracious. Run NPX Cargo RS. No, I'm not going to run it. Doom was open source only a year or so after it was released, wasn't it? Isn't OAuth pretty simple to set up? I still have to do it, and I don't want to do it. Aren't most open source projects freemium? No, most open source projects are free. Wait, you testing? Now I've seen everything. No, I'm performance testing. I'm letting it run on my server, right? There's a decent amount of variation here. You know what I mean? OAuth is a bitch. It always is never fun, but Vim is like a perfect example of open source software with a monetization policy. I can tell you right now that... Here, is TJ... TJ, are you here? TJ! TJ! Do you think he's going to answer if I keep screaming his name? Here, I'm going to do this really quickly. All right, we're performance testing. We're almost done.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
All right, let's see if we can do this. Here, I'm going to do it next. Let's see if this will work. Hey, Jacobist, welcome. TJ, your tea is ready. Yeah, TJ. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to TJ, and I'm going to jump in a phone call. I realized I don't have to turn off this computer. I call him from this other one. TJ is busy with the building an interpreter without a REPL. Yeah, I know. He is. Prime, I was trying to find a video where you're both giving and receiving feedback, but I can't find it. Can you post the link? I have no idea. It's somewhere in there. I think it was like something like I quit Netflix. I apologize. I was wrong. I didn't realize that they stopped donations to Uganda a long time ago. Yeah, but that doesn't make Vim monetized, right? That's not monetization. That's linking a charity. Those are different. How to explain newbie a hard code? Let's see. How to explain newbie in a hard coded in 2 words. Dude, I don't even know what you're trying to say. Prime giving and receiving? Impossible. He's more of a typing guy. All right. TJ's not answering. Prime giving and receiving. All right. Code hearted. All right, we're almost there. How long do you think it's going to be with Jason? What do you think Jason's going to look like? Does NPM seeking funds thing work at all? Wait, NPM has a seeking funds? Oh, I've seen those. My bad. How to explain the term hard-coded to a newbie in 2 words? Hard-coded. It's hard-coded. Nope, difficult to change. That's 3. You suck. Why say many words when you can do, and a few will do the trick? Not soft-coded. It's not soft. It's hard. I need 4. It's in the code. You've got it. Coded hardly. Bao tarde gostoso. Welcome. 14 packages are looking for funding. Yeah, that's never going to work. Micro or soft, don't do. Hard code me daddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. All right, let's see. All right, we're over halfway through. Damn, this is going to take a while. I feel like I need to kind of run this off to the side later on. All right. What about GitHub sponsors? Heard something about them open source maintainer making 6 figures from some donations. Yeah, I mean, no, there's also Armorants making $1 million from OnlyFans. But the reality is that there might be that one person that makes money, but the rest of the people will never make money. Just the reality. You know, like, look at this. Here you go. Right now, we have 797 viewers. That's pretty dang good, right? This puts us in, like, some of the tops of Twitch. I think if you go to twitchtracker.com, the Prime Gen, I think it tells you, like, how much of Twitch is currently watching your stream when you're live. Viewers watching. I'm getting close to 0.1% of all of Twitch watching. Right? If we got up to 1,000, all of that would be crazy, right? Think about that for a second. That's a large part of Twitch. I would not be able to use Twitch income alone. How's working on Falcor for Netflix? Terrible. That's why I actually put in my papers and quit it, right? Like, you don't do it to become a massive success. Most people will never make a lot of money doing anything. Right? 1,000 would be that, right? 1,000 would be 0.01%. 1,000%, right? You don't do it to... trust me, I'm not out here thinking, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to be a multi-millionaire, right? Like, that's just not how it happens. When dev hour with Armorant. Teacher, type safety, and the Vim movements. Teacher, yeah, we go... let's see, the way to make open is you rip off someone else's open source software and sell support for it. Is that a subtle jab at... Who did that? Is this like a Ryan Florence reference? Is that who it is? I don't know. I don't keep up with that. You can make Canonical, Amazon, AWS. What are we talking about? Anyways, OBS? Yeah, what was that? Was that Slobs? Streamlabs OBS? What about having players run the server locally? I mean, you can do that. It's open source. Hey, Jamunger. I mean, I'm literally giving... Thank you for the follow. I'm literally programming the game so anyone can use it open source. Logitech said, this is mine with OBS. Yeah, hey, thank you. Nal Hooks. Red Hat. Isn't it cute when YouTube starts joining in on the talk? Isn't it just adorable? You know, like we're already like way past the subject, and then finally, due to the slowness of YouTube, they finally get in. Is it just cute? What is blazingly fast today? I think. Will you ever do? No. No, I will never do that. All right, we're almost done. Hi, YouTube. Hey, YouTube, can you type the number 5? Almost 10 seconds. It is right there. Thank you, Marcos. Yeah, say it again. You know, have you played around with Redox? YouTube must watch at 1.5 speed, even in lives. Yeah, you do. 5. Look at them all come in. Hi, Twitch, and look at that. They're all coming in hot now. Look at that. See, it's really delayed. Hey, thank you very much for that. Thank you, YouTube, for this display of prowess. It's really good. Okay, so these are still running. We're still looking good. There's gigantic variation. Benchmarking live. Yeah. Sorry, we just got to wait for just a little bit longer. We're almost done. Right? I don't know how many. Yeah, we're almost there. So that's 17 plus 17, which is a good amount. 24. Or 17 plus 17 is almost 40. We're almost there. 17 plus 18 is almost 40, which means we're almost 50. I'm doing it in just light amounts. And how much more are we? Oh, yeah. Let's go one more. We're almost there. We're almost to that, which that would be, oof, that would only be 3 away once we cross that. There we go. We're almost there. We're almost there. We need, what, 4 more? How about a Gene? Yes, I know. Did you see my message in your screen? So I switched to Twitch. The account is new. Well, hey, Grim. There is a setting for the delay. No, I know. I have it on pretty speedy. Hey, Bertrand. Thanks, YouTube, for the shameless delay. 5. The 5 just came in. Oh, no. Humble suggestion for future project. Physically correct ray tracer in Rust using Vulkan. What? Embed Rust must be hard because you can't use SSD. Yeah. We did a little bit of that. It's interesting. That guy double dipped. He was the first to say 5. Oh, he was double dipping. Yo, Prime, how's it going? Will you reveal? Let's see. When will you review? Oh, I did do a review. I just said don't use it. That's literally my review. You know what you should do with Helix? You shouldn't. That's the answer. Hey, it's Aether. Aether. Real talk. I don't think you should do it. All right, we're almost there. I think this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. I can feel it. I can feel it like the pee in my bladder. Embed Rust must be hard because you can't use STD. I feel like I already read that. Okay, I did read that. I'm going to go pee. Watch, it's going to finish the moment I get up. The moment I get up. All right, people. Let's do this. All right. Prime needs a urinal. Dude, I know I did. Oh. Did Rox, did you raid me? Hey, Rockstar, what's up? I was told by Vimic40 to send you my chat.
Oh, that scared me.
Oh. I had a little bit of pee come out of me. That was awful. Hey, over Devio. Dude, you have to be up to like 200 in the channel. 220. I don't know what is going on. You did like 100 during the charity, you're doing 100 on the outside. Oh, I love this upcoming song. We need to do some programming, people. We need to do some programming. I'm going to do this performance testing later. I'll do the performance testing later. Let's do some programming. What do you say? Well, I mean, I guess we could do them both. You want to do them both? Both? Yeah? Should we do them both? Yeah? Yeah? Both? 100 meter. What's your opinion on Tari? What's your opinion on Tari? I just don't want to. Let's see. Can you do a programming to-do list? Imagine programming the programming category. 5. What are you writing? Man, that guy, Slarty, you're so far off. You could create a federation service from no squeal to squeal. Ugh. I don't know when it'll be. A couple weeks. Did the performance dip happen at the same point in both? No. Let's see. Hey, YouTube stream is a little dark for some odd reason. Huh, that sucks for YouTube. Anywho, hey, your YouTube stream is a little dark. Can you program these nuts? Prime, did you really join Mastodon? Yeah, but I have no idea what I'm doing out there on Mastodon. No idea. All right, so what are we going to do here? What are we going to do? Are we doing more Vim Royale? Should we get to the next part? Which the next part is going to be this. The next part is going to be some Lua. You know, I'm not going to lie to you. We're going to do some Lua here, okay? Which means we're going to go into here, and we already have this thing done, right? So we already have the window done. You can't really tell, but there's a status line across here. Here's another window, right? You can just see the 80 columns right here and here. And then you can see that my cursor is down here. I forced my cursor right here because that is going to be how I prevent you from actually moving the fake cursor in Vim Royale. And so once you leave it, it puts you back into it. So I can never leave it, right? I mean, even though I'm pressing all the right buttons to move out, right? KW, controlled, yeah. It won't do that. But if I quit, removes everything. Lua, you're already off by 1 in QWOP, I know. I'm setting up a Mastodon server, by the way. It'll be Mastodonly fans. Found it. Nice talk. You could... Oh. One more round of QWOP and back to Royale. Okay, one more round of QWOP. I'll do one more round of QWOP. I really wish I could figure out how to do that sprinting that I had. Did you see that sprinting? I don't know what I did. Did you see that? See, there's something to that. That's how you run fast in QWOP. Right? Okay, you don't want to do it on that leg. Apparently that leg sucks. Oh my goodness, did you see that? I wonder if you could have changed. Okay, hold on. One more try. See, I wonder how I got into it. It was like I was so leaned forward that I could do that. Like there's like this sweet spot and I don't know how to do it. See, there we go. See, like that's... Oh, whoopsies. See, I went too fast down. See, like there's definitely that sweet spot and I don't know how to make it happen. And I'm dead. All right. I feel like I got to practice that a few more times. You know what I mean? Because once you get it, you could go so fast. Think about it. 5. Thanks, Jather. Oh, yeah. Have you looked through them? Yeah, I can't tell who caught you. All right, anyways. Ligmastodon. Ooh, I like that one. So are you ready to do that? We can keep on doing that. So the big thing I want to do is I want to add borders to these windows, right? These windows are just depressing without borders. So how do you add borders? So I guess what I could do, if I beat you on QWOP, you have to hire me at Netflix. No. An AI feet pick detector? Ooh, baby. What is Vim Royale? It's the greatest Royale ever, right? Today. Oh, we're finishing up that one. Royale. It's a Vim Royale. It's going to be the greatest Royale ever, combined with the goodness of Vim and the bestness of Vim in the ultimate competition of wits and speed. You're going to play Vim to beat the other person. Prime, next stream, implement some threading or concurrency library in Rust. Ew, that sounds awful. All right, so there is this plenary pop-up, right? So do I need to switch to this? Like, is this really the play right here? Plenary pop-up, right? Is it pop-up? Key handlers used for pop-up filter. Scroll bar. I don't want a scroll bar. Optional. Add force transparency. Text wrappers. See. See, they have a lot of things kind of all there, right? Let's see. API provider compatible with Vim pop-up APIs. So anyways. I don't think you need it for this. You can call me if you want. TJ, no, TJ, let's see. I don't think you need anything. I don't know. I don't think I needed anything from Plenary. Well, TJ, I already have it all done, right? So when I do this, there you go, right? Like, here's the top bar. You can see the top one. You can see the next one right here, which is all the rest of it. And here's my cursor. And I can't leave, right? It won't let me leave. I just want to get some underlying, right? Series on websites with DBs, front and back with Rust from scratch. Thoughts? It's such a boring series. Those kind of things worked on. Let's see. It has border and stuff built into NeoVim Open Window now. Oh, really? Tell me more. Because the help menu has been pretty broken the last few times I've been using it. Open Win. It's missing a bunch of the NeoVim stuff. Really? There's border? Border. Border. All right. Optional. Nice. None. No border. Single line. Ooh. Okay. Config. Border. All right. So what you're trying to tell me is that... Okay. So that means if I go like this. Vim... If I go to window config, go here, and then go like this. Go... main, and go border equals single. You're telling me that would work? No ice, border stuff. Yeah, thank you. The hacks flax. No hand cam today. I mean, we can. We can hand cam, baby. Nice. That does make it a lot easier. Holy cow. All right, so we can do that. Hidden doesn't have a border. We do this, and then we also need to go total height required. Is that +4, right? +2, right? This would be +2 for border. I always spell that wrong. +4 for 2 borders, right? Because there's technically 2 borders, which also means that I need to go like this. Status needs to be this, and it needs a -1. So last time was 2, but now there's an extra 2 lines in between, so I have to go up 4. I think that's right. Yeah, okay. My Windows 2, there we go. Not quite right. Not quite right, but close. We're getting close. Nice border. The hands, I know. Hands, yes, that should work. Okay, cool. Border stuff. Really bordering over here. All right, so that's close. Not quite there. I wonder why that didn't do that. Status width is that. Status height is 1 + 2. Let's put it as 1. It should only be 1 because the borders, I assume, are built in. Main height should be 24 + 2. No. Let's see. I don't know why I put these things on. I should never have those things on, right? There we go. Yeah. All right, so there we go. So we now have them. Everything's looking good. So I should be able to zoom in, I think, one more. Oh, gosh. All right, so it does work. There we go. So this would be Vim Royale right here. So we do have Vim Royale being displayed with the borders. This is actually kind of nice. This is kind of nice. Look at that. It's kind of nice. Can we agree that that's kind of nice? Okay, so now we have done step 1. So this is actually pretty cool. I'm actually pretty excited about this. So we're going to go like this. CC, feature, borders, and client runner. There we go. And I'm also going to want to tag this. Tag, right? What is it? That's get tag. Get tag, what's it called? Deku versus Jason. Get push origin tags, right? That way people can look at the code that I was using, right? There we go. So we have that thing still here. That thing's looking good. That thing's still running. This one's not running. So we're going to go to here. Let's kill that guy. Let's kill that guy. Ah, gosh, I have such a hard time killing those ones. All right, that means 4 needs to be... What do you need to be again? You need to be... 4 is the 198. 5 is 72. And this one's that one. So let's do one more test. Let's go. Let's try some JSON, right? So while we're programming, we'll do some JSON, right? Let's do the exact same one. Let's do parallel 10. Parallel 10. Parallel 5. I think I should be able to handle 25 connections. I'm hoping I can handle 25 connections. That will be a little sad if I can't even handle 25 connections. All right. Primogen, hoodie just arrived. Nice. How's it going? How's it fitting? You feeling hot and sweaty? Can we get one clap for Neilvim? Neilvim, thank you for that. That was great. All right. How long do you think this is going to take? How long do you think one run of JSON at 25 connections, sending 1,000 objects each is going to take? Not too bad. That's pretty good. Okay, so maybe we'll see how it goes. Largely no room left. So we could have gone a lot higher. That's the thing, is we could have actually gone a lot higher with our connections. We could actually go quite a bit higher with our connections, right? With Deku, which is interesting, right? All right, so let's get back to programming for now, right? We may have to go up higher to really see the big difference here. All right, so let's go to here. Let's go back to here. Let's close this guy down. So we have the window working, which means we need to start getting the server running. So here's my general idea, is that we need to connect. Let's write down these steps. I think there's like an Excalibur, right? I have an Excalibur. I think I have an Excalibur, right? Nice. All right, we do have an Excalibur. We do have this whole idea of the game loop. Here's all of our messages. Those are all effectively taken care of via Deku, right? So I'd say let's start with just a single player run, right? A single player run should look like this. Really what we should have, let's kind of write this in steps here. The player should connect, right? Oh, I like this song. I wish I was programming instead of Excaliburing. Let's pause this song so we could we don't miss it. Just play this instead. What about wasn't it about Neovim funding? Yeah, that's the reason why. Oh, no, TJ, the reason why I was calling you was about funding. Someone said that Vim's a good example of funding. And I said no. They're really not. It's so blurred for me. I can't tell the link from the website. Wait, what's blurry for you? All right, anyways. So the player should connect. We're going to have to give back. We're going to have to do effectively a connection, right? We're going to, let's see. Let's go over here because we should have some information basically here, right? Do I have any information about this? All right, we don't have any information right there. So when the player connects, we need to send them. We kind of are missing a bit of information, right? We do have a player start, which we need. But one thing we are definitely missing, which I think is pretty important to have, is we are missing like a, hey, here's all the information, right? Not game packets, but like pre-game. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. Really, this is like pre-game packets, right? And really, this should be player join map, right? Oopsies. It doesn't have an entity ID. This is the one that doesn't have an entity ID, or this. And instead, it should have the map, right? And I don't know what the map is. Is that, should we do 250 by 250? I think we could go bigger. I think we should try to go 500 by 500. Is that good? 500 by 500? That's a lot of squares, right? That's a lot of positions. And let's see, I'd have to take a 50% pay cut and no benefits, and that'd probably still be more than NeoVim's funding level. That's one engineer. Open source, you don't join open source to make money. You know what I mean? Open source is just not a thing you do to make money. All right, so that's kind of our goal. So this is what we're going to get. We're effectively going to get this. The packet length, I don't know what the packet length needs to be, but dude, this window is extremely annoying. The packet length needs to be, what is that? That's 2 plus... Ooh. Oh, my goodness. You know what? This is actually really interesting because this is the first time... Oh, no. Oh, no, people. Oh, no. Oh, no. I didn't think about one thing. Shoot. 512 by 512 is going to be too big of a number. I can't fit that in 1 byte. I'm going to actually have to have a 2 byte length, which right now I don't have a 2 byte length. Right? I only have a 1 byte length. My connection assumes 1 byte right here. So that means I'm going to have to change up things. Read exact. I'm going to have to read 2. Then do this as U size, and then do this. Damn. I'm going to have an extra byte. It's Excalidraw. No, off by 1 to starting to creep. I know, hard code, dude. Protected by the type gods. I know, saved. You know what, dude, it was just like Bob Ross painting a big black line right down the middle of the canvas. Boom. Is 2 enough? Absolutely. 2 would be 65,000 bytes. We'll never have something that big. The only big packet we're going to have is this right here. Right? Which is the initial map packet. Right? So let's start this up. So this is what's going to happen. Let's just kind of start up because the single player, this is going to look a lot different once we get going. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's start here. Player connects. Server sends map. This is for 1 player right now, right? I'm only going to design it as 1 player, and then we'll design 2 player. You know what I mean? Do 1 player, then do 2 player. I feel like that's always the easiest way to do it. Server sends map. Okay, so player connects, server sends map, server sends start, right? And then player can effectively move all they want, right? And then player move, right? If we can just get this done, this alone would be pretty epic, right? If we can get this done, I'd be pretty stoked about Vim Royale, right? And so this just goes on forever. Because then we're like not that far away from making it multiplayer. Because at that point, really what we have to do, the things we're going to have to do is that I'll probably start by making it non-node balanced. Meaning that we don't have a balancer, meaning that we're just going to have all of our games on a single server, meaning that I'm hoping that I can just get away with having a Linode. I'm going to just try to vertically scale instead of horizontally scaling because I just don't want to have to build my own, I don't want to have to hand build my own scaler. So right now, I'll probably just go bigger than this, right? Just go like a dedicated 8 gig. You know what I mean? Vertically scaling for this should work. It's Rust. Yeah, exactly. I don't have to think about a horizontal scale, right? Which is actually really hard. This is one reason why, say, Node would be a really bad candidate here. It's because not only is Node sucky, it also has, what's it called? It doesn't have a vertical scale story. How many bytes is in your map? Well, it's going to be 512 by 512, right? Our map is going to be 512 by 512, right? So that is what? That's 512 by 512 is... Oh, no. You're right. 512 by 512 is too big. Oh, no, because that's 2 to the 16. Oh, my goodness. It's literally too big by just a touch. You use CSS for scaling? You forgot your crown, King. I made an Elixir decoder and connection handler on stream a couple weeks ago. Nice. And it works until it hits some sort of OS limit when you're running your Rust client. Yeah, there is definitely, I mean, there's always some OS limit. First, did you just do your, yeah, I know. Yeah, well, I just did. Oh, you're right. You're right. Yeah. 512 is 2 to the 9. That's 2 to the 18, right? That's 2 to the 18, isn't it? Oh, shoot. My maths way suck. Did you, Shy Ryan, did you make sure you have your U limit correct? Very simple one to mess up. Did you have your U limit correct? I'm sure you did, but did you have it? You know, it's pretty, let's see. Yeah, 250, yeah, I did. So I'm going to do 255 by 255, right? 255 times 255 should be slightly less, right? And this leaves us, the remaining bytes should be easily sent for everything else, right? Because it's 65,535. So we should have plenty, we will have an extra 5 bytes, right? I don't usually set health limits. And you know what we can do? Oh. Damn it. Okay, you know, should we I don't want to make I didn't want to make
Welcome to Costco.
I love you. Thank you. I didn't want to make what's it called? I really didn't want to make Dang it. I didn't want to make this take so much data. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, thank you, Adam.dev, coming in with that brand new tier 1 subscription. 4 months and 65 people. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. I love you. Welcome. Thank you, Adam.dev. Did I miss it? Oh, Mr. Bazzani. I missed that too. Hey. Hey, what you guys been doing this time? Oh, we're just building a game, right? We're just building out a little game here. Thank you very much. Why sending bytes problem? Because I want it to be as sleek as possible, right? That's 2 extra bytes per packet. Thousands of packets. I don't want to have to do that, okay? I don't want none of that. But fine, we're just going to make it that. What just happened there? How did I just... And I need to fix my LSP, damn it. All right, there we go. Fine, we're going to make our... We're going to make our length 3 bytes. It's the only way to do this. And then I can keep that 5. I should probably keep that 512. Variable length, integer encoder incoming. Nope. No, that's plenty. 3 bytes is plenty. I'll never send a megabyte long message. But I do worry about map size. Map size is too big. Right? Map size is just simply too big. I don't like it because that's sending 65K out to 100 people, right? So 65.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I mean, that's a lot, right? That's 6.5 megs to start the game. I don't know if I like that, right? That kind of sucks. That, to me, does not feel good. You know what I'm going to probably do? I'm going to probably... let's start by hard-coding the map in. Right? Are you sending the full map every time or just the updates? No, I'm not sending the full map. I'm only sending the full map every time you start the game, right? Hey, VH Infinity, thank you for that tier 2, 3 months in advance subscribed. Damn, thank you. Appreciate that. Why not send a map over 3 messages? Gzip it. I could. I mean, I could. You could use React, and then it'll feel like 6 megabytes is nothing. That's true. Why does Prime not use Vimium? It's too much thinking. What info do you need for the map? Oh, I need the map. You have such big, sexy hands. I don't have big, sexy hands. If you do deterministic procedural generation, you could just send the seed out and the client could create the map for you. Yeah, but then I have to do that, right? I don't think I want to build that out. You could use a var int for packed length. Tell me more about that. Should we create our own compression format? Middle Indian is the future. Okay, so here's... Okay, Benny, you just gave me an idea. You'd have to use a crate. No. We're going to make our own. We're going to make our own. Premature opt... Oh, no, dude, we're definitely doing premature optimization. What the hell are you talking about, dog? Okay. who do you think this is? Okay, we are comparing Deku and Jason before it is even a problem. Middle Indian sounds kind of racist. No, it's Middle Indian. Middle Indian. Indian, not Indian, you goose. This entire system is premature optimization. So what the hell are you talking about? This guy comes in here worried about premature optimization. Okay, this is a channel filled with prematurity, okay? I premature everything in my life, okay? Optimization, attitude, ejaculation, you name it, okay? It happens here, all right? What's mature? Prime, most premature programmer. Same premature jack. I know, we're going for it. Rust is for yak shaving. Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's compress our board. Are you ready for this? I think we could do this in, we'll go back down to 2 bytes. I can accept 2 bytes. Even though I don't like it, I'll do it. Every dict must be premature. This is true. Mature optimization is for hard coders. Exactly. Wait, no procedural generation, but own memory. Yes, exactly. All right, so this is actually really good. I like this. So this is good. So we're going to have a map. Let's think about how this map needs to work, okay? We're going to go over to our game, and let's have a map. All right, map RS. Oopsies. A map RS. Let's start in here. All right, we have our little map, our board, right? And so we're gonna have a pub struct map. And I think I also have this whole message thing. So we're gonna have to really kind of work on this thing here also. This will be interesting to do. All right, so let's go to our map. Let's add that to our list. So we have connections, game client server. Yep, this looks good. So what do we want to do here? We're going to have the map, which is going to be a, what is it? It's a U8. It's a U8 of 512 of 512. Yeah? Yeah? No, Benny, you're ruining it, Benny! Benny, don't ruin it, Benny. Gosh darn it, Benny. Don't ruin it. All right, Benny, here's the plan. Are you ready for me on this one, Benny? All right, Benny and the Jets. So, writing your own compression. Well, right now, this is it's a fun compression, okay? It's fuck-compression, okay? It's fuck-compression. Fuck compression, okay? It's fun compression, fuck compression, okay? This is fun. Cool your jets, Benny. Yeah, that's right. You can't do that. That's not allowed. There's no way they allow that. Call me Bob Saget if they allow this. They don't allow that. It's bullshit. Fun is fun out. Understandable. Fuck compression. No, fun compression. It's F compression. Let's see. Hi, Lucky Luke. He types faster than a shadow. Let's see. It's sparse enough that, yes. Yes, so that's exactly it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this, right? Pub. All right, so I'm gonna leave room for... Let's do this. Let's leave... This is how the encoding is going to go. This is fun. This is how the encoding is going to go. All right, new this. I wonder if I could actually fit this in 3 messages. Map part 1, 2, and 3. I wonder if you could. All right, so let's say we have this nice map, right? And how I'm going to encode it is this direction, right? We're just going to go all the way this way. And then we're going to go all the way this way. And we're just going to keep on doing that, right? And so this is what I'm thinking. Hear me out on this one. We'll have 1 byte dedicated. Do I want to do this tight? Do I want to do some bit packing? All right, I almost want to go so all in. 1 hot encoding, yeah. Chat is a 2D fixed or a sized array contiguous. Yes, a 2D fixed sized array is always contiguous. What kind of crazy ass are you living in? Thank you, Vex and Aeroduct. Por qué, Maria? Can I learn DSA and Rust? It would be extremely... Dude. Why? See, this is something about YouTube that just drives me nuts. YouTube, why do you ask the same question over and over again? You know what I mean? Why do you got to be like that? Why use Rust when TypeScript is superior? I hate your ideas, and you make me upset. Some Huffman encoding. We finished, named it. Yeah, it's not going to be a Huffman encoding. Thank you. But it is like a Huffman encoding, but it's not going to be a Huffman. Maybe there's a wondering, let's see. Maybe they were wondering about you doing C#. TJ, I had to reduce. That's it. I dropped the green veil, okay? This is where I work, and guess what, TJ? You come in here with that energy again, and I'm going to ban you, okay? You're going to get the hell out of my cubicle if you keep this up, TJ. You just got smaller. Is this the reason why we have thousands of weird protocols? This is it? Yeah, welcome. All right, because it's fun. All right, so let's go like this. We're also going to want to definitely get, we're definitely going to want to do this, right? Mod test. We're definitely going to want to have tests right away for this, right? All right, so the first thing we should probably have is our server only needs to deflate, right? So impl map function new. We still got to figure out that one, right? That one we don't have an idea for, right? Function new map. We'll figure that one out, right? Return map 0u8, right? I think that's how you do it. And then pub function deflate, right? And then this should produce out, I'm going to have it produce out a vec of u8. Does that sound good? So now let's figure out how we want to do this. The Shia LaBeouf transition. Now, if you guys remember, we actually did our own version of this not too long ago. It was called Compress Me Daddy, if I'm not mistaken. It's technically more idiomatic to have new return self. You can technically idiomatic yourself, clean off this channel if you need to. Why deflate? Oh, because we're going to deflate it. It's like a balloon. It's mostly empty space anyways. And I regret it because it's actually pretty useless. Everything is done via HTTP nowadays. Protocol engineering is extremely useful, and you have absolutely no idea what you're saying. You don't even know how many times you're going to be using to do. That's crazy. I want to switch to Linux completely, which just Ubuntu. My wife says the same thing. Oh, baby. Today I got stuck running embed Mongo in Spring, and I just found out where is the problem by watching Prime. Nice. Is the map the same every time? No. I'm gonna just generate it every time. It'll be a new one for every game. So we still got map generation we're gonna have to figure out and stuff like that. All right. So let's talk about deflating. Now, if you remember, we did make this game. We did make a game. We made a drum machine that was written in Rust that would produce drum beats and send it over to my Sonic Pi. But we had to make it runnable via Twitch chat. But Twitch chat couldn't send in enough information. So we actually made our own encoding algorithm. And so this is kind of the same thing again, right? We're making our own encoding algorithm. And I think this is going to be pretty... What's up, Pizza Sleeves? It's been a moment.
I love you.
What's the game? It's Vim Royale. So with that in mind, what we want to do here is... I almost feel like we need a fixed amount of what I kind of see here is that we're going to have a fixed length, right? And then we have the thing that repeats. Now, what made our compression algorithm so interesting last time was that it would actually then go and look over 2-byte repetitions and redo it, right? We would keep on expanding ourselves, and the deflate or the inflate table would be kept at the front of the message. I thought that was pretty clever because you could really reduce how much space you actually need, right? Because the reality to the situation is that, you know, you could literally have 9-0, like, right? We could have... We could do some form of bit packing here, which I'll have to think about, right? Because we want this to be pretty nifty, right? We want to go as deep as possible. If you need something that repeats, just get my wife. Damn, stacking, damn. Thank you, Shy Ryan, to give into the Bun the First. Bun the First. I love what you do. Thank you. Thank you. And Shy Rye, you didn't have to do that, baby, but thank you. Jay Ryder, if you need something, I know. That was an intense one. All right. So I could make a fixed length right now, and we could start there. We may need to compress even
Welcome
further.
to Costco.
Right?
I
And
love
so
you.
how many, let's see, wasn't it 3 months yesterday? It really was. Hey, sorry for asking you again, but I need to know what you think about DSA and Rust. I answered it, dog. Dog, I answered it. Rust is hard, okay? Rust does not make traditional data structures simple. All right. Generate the map client side. Send over some seed. Thank you, Mark Nefadov. Yeah. We could do that. Map made of PP gons and only send points. What is DSA? Data structures and algorithms? Yeah, it is. All right, so I've never procedurally generated anything. Oh my goodness.
Welcome to
Stephen,
Costco.
thank you.
I love you.
Thank you. Hello, world. Well, hello. Democratic Socialists of America. I mean, we could. The thing is that we'd have to use Mulberry, right? Right? We'd have to use Mulberry. Mulberry random, right? Yeah. It's a pretty simple algorithm. There we go. And so we could use Mulberry as kind of like our... this right here could be our seed, right? And boom. Mulberry. Randomize, greater, remove noise, coerce into useful state, profit. Yeah. Always get KN Twitch. What does that even generate the map seed using Twitch chat Pog? Doesn't make any sense. Hey, let's see. I finally know this and arrow function in JavaScript. So many gotchas and arrow functions. Sheesh. It's not too bad once you know these things. Why did Rust popularity bump sudden? It didn't. It's been slowly growing. That's all. To be honest, sending seed and later deltas from the seed chunks is a viable solution for Minecraft stuff. Yeah. Maybe we just want to do that. Damn. Maybe we just want to go, seed and just have that as a U size. Right? That's probably a little bit easier. You know what I mean? Because then I'm only concerning myself with that, right? And then I got my seed in here. And then I can go back to, where are you, messages? Right? Then I don't have to change my algorithm at all. You know what I mean? None of my algorithms have to change at all. Right? So I can go to connections, which is actually my third one. And I can just keep it right. I can keep that, which is good. Are you gonna hold state for playback for the last X moves? No, I wasn't gonna give anybody benefits of that. Map size divided by C's. Well, no, I'm gonna hold on to it, right? I'm still gonna, it's gonna be extremely small, right? Because seed is just a U size. I'll be sending over here. Seed will be a U32. Let's just make it a U32, right? There you go. It takes 32 bytes. That means our seed size. I like that. I could do this. We're going to do that. All right. Where are you? So that means we just need the seed, which is 4 bytes. Which is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 1. Plus 1 plus 4, right? It's going to be very, very small. Dude, stop pasting. Dude, I hate this program sometimes. There we go. So we pretty much have this one. I think that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. You got any videos on making a compression algo? I had one. I think it might not be there. Hey, let's see how our... it's still running. The JSON is still running. But we're going to be done soon. I can feel it. Oh, man, we're actually just crashing. Damn it, we finally had too much. Dang. Well, that sucks. It's hard to even get 25 clients going without overflowing everything. And then you start getting connection reset by peer and all that. It does seem like the most compression you could possibly get. It does. Let's go. Well, poop. Well, poop. You know what I mean? Well, poop. Will you show say I don't know how to use GATs. I still don't even know. I still don't even know what they are. You know what I mean? All right. So I guess we could try to procedurally generate our map. So how would we procedurally generate this? I've never done it before. I'm not going to look up anything. We can just come up with a pretty simple thing. Let's come up with a little function mulberry, right? A mulberry 32 seed U32, right? Right? 69 viewers on YouTube. Oh, really? Yeah. YouTube doesn't have that. A Minecraft seed? No, we're not going to use a Minecraft. I mean, it does. I think a Minecraft seed is like just a big number. I mean, it's just a number, Doc. All right, let's go mulberry 32. Let's see. Yeah, let's do it in JavaScript because it don't got those crazy things. All right. Look at all that beautiful crap. All right, let's see. Where's the mulberry one? All right, here we go. It's part of the Pract Rand. Oh, simple, fast. Okay. I love the variables. There we go. So this thing creates a function that is the random number, right? So I guess at the beginning of every game, I could... So I think this right here this is the seed. This is how we go. All right, perfect. That doesn't seem too bad. I am curious, does Rust throw an exception when you overflow? Right? Because obviously this right here is, I mean, it's going to overflow, right? It wraps in release mode. The answer is yes, but no. You should use the explicit wrapping. Okay. Oh, you and wrapping at. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's just copy this thing. So there we go. We got that guy going. Let's go into here. We got that. Function mulberry U32. And this thing returns a function of... Dang it, I always forget how this thing works. Function trait Rust. Return function in Rust. This thing is going to take in nothing and return a U32. There we go. We got this. Wrapping add is the best. Yeah. Wrapping, yeah. Okay, cool. And let's see. Whoopsies. Wrapping add Rust. Wrapping. You don't need that. Oh, okay. Num traits. So there is this trait, right? So it's just wrapping add. Okay, it's just wrapping add. Okay. So I should be able to go like this. U32T or let T equals mute A wrapping add there we go. We do a wrapping add T equals A. Okay, what is imul? So we're gonna have to figure out what the hell imul is. All right, what is imul? Mutation's disgusting. It's disgusting. Just wrap the whole app and prevent bugs and overflows. Duh. Yeah. Oh, does wrapping add not? Oh, it returns self. You're right. A equals that. Good call. All right, so A equals this, and then we do All right, so this is the XOR of these two. So I assume I can just go let T equals T XOR T. And that's a zero fill. There we go. So we're going to have that one. What is IMAL? IMAL. Let's see. Math IMAL. What does it do? IMAL function returns the result of a C-like 32-bit multiplication of two parameters. What does that mean? Does that exist in Rust? IMAL these nuts in your mouth. Just wrap the whole app. Integer multiply? It is, but it's like wrapping. It's wrapping multiplication. Wrapping mul Rust. Hey, thank you, baby. Oh, this looks delicious. Okay, so it'd be let's see, let T equals T multiplied by T1 wrapping mul. Right? I believe that is correct. Yes, I think I'm correct on that one. Oh, I'm not correct on that one. I'm not correct. I'm not correct. Not even close to correct. I'm way off. This is, we'll call that one T1. And so we're going to go T1. There we go. Yeah, I got that one. Are you saying she's paid? Reports her. Oh, wait, engineers can have relations too? I don't buy it. Scripted paid actor. Yep. All right, so we got to XOR the results of this. So let's... All right, so we need to go like this. We need to go let T1 equals T plus T wrapping mul. Can I just do this? Classic or 61. Are we getting close? I think we're getting there. Oh my goodness, ending with Hallie coming in with a 75-person raid. Thank you. Appreciate that. How do you come up with the name Primogen? From a, are you eating a cigar? Yes. I am. Hi, I'm the author of Mulberry 33. No, you're not. Don't even believe it. Wait. Is this how you introduce... Yeah. Just did a live technical interview like a chaos gremlin. I like it. Quap or refund? Oh, was there a quap? All right, people, we're quapping. What kind of interview are we talking here? All right, here we go. Oh, dang it. I had that. I had it.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Man, I have no speed this time. I got no speed. There we go. We're leaning forward. And then I do it all wrong. All right, hold on. I feel like I'm almost getting this technique of running very fast. Right? Like, I feel like I've almost got it. Oh, damn it. Okay, so do you see that? Do you see that move? Do you see that move? I think it's right there. I think it's right there. All right, I think it's right there. I think I almost have it. Because once I get that, oh gosh, I am scooting. All right. The thing is I don't know how to do it with the other leg. So once I figure out how to do it with both legs, oh, I'm gonna be unstoppable at co-op.
Welcome to Costco.
Right, like
I love you.
See, I don't know how to do it. See, my other leg, I don't know how to use it yet. Yes, this is co-op. You can say phrases such as, I don't know how to use my other leg. Damn it. Okay, hold on. I gotta figure this out. I feel so determined to figure out how to do this. All right, there we go.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Oh! All right, here we go. Feel it out. There we go. Still not lean forward enough. All right, there we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. I was so fast. Do you see that? Do you feel that? Ending with Hallie. Thank you very much. Bombale. Thank you very much. And Nicolas, welcome. How did you come up with the name, the Primogen? I already answered it. It's from a video game. Esport. Okay. One more try. I got to get to 25, but I want to get to 25 using my new technique. Because once I get this down, oh man, I am a running savage. See, the other leg just seems like it doesn't know how to do what the... I feel like I don't know how to use the other leg. You know what I mean? Is that normal to say in real life? There we go, baby. All right. Yeah! All right, good enough. Sometimes I can't use my legs either. I know, it's just like I don't know what to do here. Is he deving a co-op-like game? No. Nice, okay. This is more impressive than code. A little PPP at the start, I know. Did this man just try to throw me a... Are you trying to toss in here a little C++? Are you coming at me with a little C++? Get out of here! By the way, if you are the inventor of Mulberry, I would just like to let you know that I have used you in projects. I've used you. I've been a part of you. I've translated it. All right. So we got to do the exact same thing. Is there wrapping? Is it... I never know the ordering of these things. I always feel like you got to do that, right? Yeah. I want to say I'm correct on that one. How do we do? I think we're doing it. Lil bro, let's see. Lil bro is going to say, is there a wrapping XOR? I almost said that. I almost said it, but I was like, dude, I'm too stupid. Mulberry is the worst RNG. Just... I don't care about how good it is. I feel like you have this feeling like it's somehow I wanted something that's fantastic. I don't think you know what you're trying to say here, dog. All right, let's go like this. I don't quite get that move. Can you just divide? Can I just divide like that? Can I just do that? Ah! There we go. You gonna divide how you want, boo-boo. Didn't you do the same line twice, but differently? Did I? Shoot. Quickly. Wait, where was this? Oh, you're right. I only have to do that line once. All right, I feel like I did this line so much betterly. So much betterly. T, this, wrapping ad. Yeah, I feel like I nailed that one. Can we just agree that we nailed that one? Oh my goodness, thank you, X Dexo. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Oh, let's see. If I had to kill Mary, oh. Marry, shag, kill. Rust, Go, Java. Here, TypeScript. Because people somehow think that TypeScript and Go are different. Make, share, kill. Oh, hold on. Undo. We got to edit it. Me. Marry, Rust. Shag. Ooh. Ooh, this is a hard one. I think I want to kill. See, the thing is, I want to kill TypeScript. But sometimes I'm definitely going to shag TypeScript. So loose. And then kill Go. I feel like that's right. I feel like that's right. I feel like that's correct. I feel like that's the wave, honestly. I feel like that's the wave. That dirty little shag, I know. Go stable, Rust wild, TypeScript needs to die. I think I'd go that route. Driest shag of TS possible. I can't tell which one I'd rather kill. Do you just slut shame TypeScript? I did. I did so hard. TS tried to kill me, so I'd kill it. What are we eating? Some nuts, some cheese wrapped in cured meat. Everyone likes a little cheese wrapped in cured meat. I think this is right. I feel like that's right. All right. I think I also got that right. I don't know if I got it right, to tell you the truth. I don't know if I got that right. I'm not even sure how this is all going to work out, to tell you the truth. I've never done this before. Let's just try going like this. Test function mulberry 32. Let's just see what happens. I'm just going to print it a couple times, honestly. Let's see. Let's go like this. Print ln mulberry 32. Let mulberry d's nuts equals mulberry 32. Yeah. And let's go with 69. Let's go with 69. Well, let's go with Babe Cafe. Okay, everybody's favorite random number of nuts. But what's nuts? Randomized unit test. Yeah, I know. Hey, thank you. Yes, Vaillant. Oh, is he eating some meat and then putting his dirty little fingers on the keyboard? I am fondling the keyboard. Okay. YouTube comments are like 1 week behind. I know they are. Yo, Prime, good stuff. Thank you. All right, let's just see what happens. Mulberry these nuts. I need to import this, but I don't even know how to import things. Do I just go like this? Dude, I'm actually stupid when it comes to doing my own imports. Am I actually stupid? Cargo test. I don't know how to do this. Oh damn. We got ourselves something squirrely going on here. Server. There we go. Where's my test? Where's my test? Where is my test? Where's my test? is not. Well, the thing is, I said, "Where's my test?" because it's not even running it. Right? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, I know what happened. This is a banger. I know exactly what happened. I do know exactly what happened. Damn it, my dude, my LSP is so effed up right now. Mulberry D's nuts. Argument never used. Oh, crap. You're right. You're so right. Let's see. Expected. So how do I return one of these? Do I need to just return a closure? Weird question. Have you noticed your view numbers gone up also since streaming on YouTube? There was a time where that was true. I don't know if it's going up anymore. Holy crap. It's been 3 hours. All right, people. I got to go to work. What am I doing out here? I had too much fun. Who do we have here? LSJ, dude, ever since they screwed everything up. Oh, they have study time still. Oh, study time is doing secret streams. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely going to raid study time because she played. Dude, I kid you not. Study time played Fortnite with me at like 6 in the morning when doing my 24-hour stream, okay? We didn't see a proper co-op victory, I know. Today was a great charity stream. Today was not a charity stream. We're rating study time. I owe her a big thank you. So everybody get in there and say big thank yous. Sergeant Poppycock, G is amazing in that Fortnite. I am amazing at Fortnite. All right? I am good at Fortnite. All right? Not all these other punks. All right, they don't know shit. They don't know shit about anything. Okay. You're a god with that splash party. You know I am! All right, here. We'll do a quick run. Here we go. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get a quick run. Here we go. For the boys. There we go. Oh, yeah. All right, running a little straight-legged there. See, okay, that goes backwards, so you can't do it there. Little straight-legged. There we go. All right, see, that other foot's just stupid. That other foot is stupid. It doesn't know what to do with itself, okay? One foot is amazing. The other foot is just dumb. It doesn't know what to do with itself. You're running like you're goat and Lua. All right, and also YouTube. Hey, YouTube, I really appreciate you. My YouTube streams just don't even, look at that. They don't even work. End stream.